Yo, me kwa gbendi nukola planya salama do wezona mi va avengba TV kwa ndi wona wo mado agbendi boko na mi apanya salokata nukola kata me oke dana mi apajerum ba ochogbe dana oposo fiana mi la mowo le agbaton hama miga gagagere nya ekemiako apomiarokyo nya ekemiako don semiarokyo irakome kanemi obwa mia azorango akpo nkanye nyajojo totio yo ke chomia pa ntomalefia mi sozogarango agere enyo nyajojo kakare ya pala okatajile Ghana ayibe tadu koma ha kana po ganya ye mokoponye ba honorable maonyagbe ikenye presiding member le Ho Central Lafia Ganya regional manager the Maslok agagagreji mi ajo nyare kavarome ke maromo bomna honorable Richard Basuga ha ike babachembe ya gresa otakwe haba le MPP top TKTG le North Tong ha gagagreji ke mi ajo nyama echo ke ba ya nyanga ke tokiare Ho Central member of parliament Adam Kofi Potosu o papato harekle nyajo kakalao enyami ke zosom le nya pa ya folo kata ji nya pa fum mu baje oji nya ke di radio ji india mi gagere hame ida na foganye ta fi kana no ndi shandi enyo TV bo ale avengba TV ya kwala chaje ado nye yika tunamaro yika fiana ngo yika joranya mo yika una tumia pa de kon yika fiana me fi ke mi chup fi ke mi le afi ke mi yina yo Tony McBoy ele zokwaje anyemi aplon la gbapo na me ke ma anami anyaba wona je ko ho amoje opo beduna mo dumrami ho sly plato masa onkondi ho ma dakuna baleke no message so dumra ho enwake ma yi malikomo ta mi agere nwi ke mi akọ atu mi arokero maganglo ba have atado aje kulem le WhatsApp +23324267077 ye na aza +23324267077 ye na aza ako ado aje baklim yo mi agere mi motivational segment me mi ako nke mi ako tu mi arokyo nyake mi ako adon se mi arokyo nyake mi ako aklo mi arokyo le egbefe nkeke ya me epe jingbanto ponkeke wieton yikema mi le ma pa mo go ma gabatu mi do ke nyake onambe mi acho ako aklo mi arokyo le egbefe nkeke ma ajajam le mi afa TV oji ho yenye. The simple things are also the most extraordinary things, and only the wise can see them. And that's a motivational message for today. The simple things are also the most extraordinary things, and only the wise can see them. The simple things are also the most extraordinary things, and only the wise can see them. This was said by Paulo Coelho. Paulo Coelho is the one who said this, that the most simple things are also the most extraordinary things, and only the wise can see them. And I extracted that from a life simplified, ebi.com/a life simplified. And I repeat that again, the simple things are also the most extraordinary things, and only the wise can see them. So it's wisdom, it's real wisdom to understand that the little things are what come together to form mighty things. You know, there's a proverb that little drops of water make a mighty ocean. And you remember there's a scriptural verse also that says in the Song of Songs that little foxes spoil the vine. Little foxes spoil the vine. So let me start with that scriptural provision in the Song of Songs. If we have a vine and you cut the branches of the vine, you are simply transplanting them, because every branch of a vine can grow, has ability of sprouting. Every brand of a branch, or every cut off of a vine has the ability to bounce back to life at the scent of rain or at the fall of rain. And if we see sweet potatoes, for instance, we can transplant them by simply cutting the vine into pieces and replanting them. And that's just it. So when you cut it, it looks like that's a big deal. When you cut it into pieces, it looks like that's a big deal. But you are not destroying it. You are really transplanting it, and you're really giving the opportunity to grow and to spread. But if there is a bite into the root, a little bite into the root, into a little bite into the tuber, as little as it is, it has the ability of infecting the entire tuber. So all the lifespan of the vine and all the growth of the vine, with that incision, with that cut into that little cut into the tuber itself, makes it not useful. So all the life it has lived will amount to nothing. So bringing back to our context and applying to our very lives, we understand that in life there are little things, little chances, little opportunities we have to be nice, little opportunities we have to extend a hand of care, do a good act of love, show someone you care, the sorries, the forgive me's, the thank yous, the little acts of gratitude, the wave backs, the smiles make life better for all of us. And that's just how we start our show today. So we have to be consistent, persistent, and detailed with attention. We have to pay attention to the little things that make life worth living, that makes life exciting. So that's how we start our show. Yasala ma jeng fufu na micho mi ke mi achokro mi arokyo kire ko mi go kulombe aje mi aron fujibe anu fifi mi wona ntukuchu mi o ke mi amichobo onye kanye onye nwo ke mi ona kofu na fu afi nga odogo chome na mare kpo na goti aleke na goti la na goti eh fue alojo kakana alo na goti ka vuna raingba yo wa cho yi ye o na goti fue vuvu ya o vuraingba jan wule mi o mo le pin ba gbugbo ga na goti dom abene chi anya jako mo ke wona pombe ifle wule ya yi kenya amare pobo o na goti ya wa cho wule alo na goti ka na goti foro nya o cho wule aka e chi cha ka ta ga che ke na goti o mara ku wa to so ake na linya to le ku na linya njojare ke gere na goti an to poro e na goti ka chivo o wa do dudume e ko na ne zon ko gere ba na goti an ton na goti gugua me e ko dum vivi e popo jin gbogbo e ke na goti an no pe biar ke ma ala mo ala be le fa gbono no fo nwa ngbe ga de jo ni ke mi mi agbo nya ba emi o ke le wuli ngwe chuku anu mo bo ngwe blan ayi ko je na go o to nyi mejo na gble kaba tɔ nye medzɔ o nye megblẽ nyuie o ko atsɔ ŋkoko akpe ɖe ŋu megblẽ o eyi ke nàgblɔ be akpe megblẽ o wole dzidzi na ma gama wòɖe kɔ kpe ɖe ŋu kpekpeɖeŋu ma wònɔa enye eƒe ga mamlɛtɔ ye akpe ɖe ŋuti o be nakpe de dzesi be ame aɖe wɔ nane na ye mekpe de dzesi be ŋke meɖo ŋkui dzi o menye ame aɖe yi ke nye ame da akpe o menye ame aɖe yi ke ɖo ŋku enu nyuiwo yiwo ke wowɔ na wo dzi o ye ama be nenema etsɔ ne gava megawɔ ge na o menye ga yenye kuxia o menye yi netsɔ ne gava mekpe ɖe ŋu yenye enua ŋutɔ nu yi nye enua ŋutɔ nye be kpe madamada ta enu vivi aɖewo li yi ke mi wɔna yi ke dona ŋusẽ míaƒe azɔliwo dona ŋusẽ míaƒe kadodo ahiãmemi o srɔ̃ɖeƒe o dɔwɔƒe o enu viviviwo ke nawɔ akɔ ada akpe nu vivivi nawɔ akɔ ana amewo nakpɔe be ame ɖeʋui nenye ede nyui le mo efa tu enye ame nyui nya ɖo yia ŋua mehiã be naƒo ŋu maɖe ɖo afɔ wò dzi o eya mehiã be naƒo ŋu ehiã be ame va nagbɔ be baba gake ye menya o ɖe ewo hã wo yiwo ke woɖo afɔ dzi o ehiã be baba ko ne be yo baba yo mesi evɔ numɔwo yi ke nye viviviwo ye nana agbe vivina ta míasrɔ̃ le yi ke míanɔ nu vivivivi wɔm tso enu gã yiwo ke mi be míawɔ ŋuti ne be yeanya asitsala gã ke nɔ afɔ vivivivi ɖem tso asitsala gã nenye ma ŋuti wogblɔ ŋutinya aɖe na mi tso ame aɖe yi ke va zu yameŋu dɔwɔƒe gã aɖe ƒe tatɔ aɖe yi eye wòbe yeanye yameŋudɔwɔla gã yameŋuwo nanɔ esi amewo anɔ gba dem akɔ yi kpɔtɔa dukɔwo me amewo nanɔ mɔ yiƒe yameŋuwo ɖom akɔ nɔ xexea katã me yim ekpɔ be mɔkpɔkpɔ ma me esi nɔ alo ame mele ŋuti akpe ɖe ŋuti ye ŋuti yeazu yameŋu dɔwɔla manye la ame yi ke yameŋu gãgãgãwo nanɔ esi anɔ yameŋu kum yameŋukulawo nanɔ esi dɔwɔviwo nanɔ esi ta eva be wona mɔkpɔkpɔ be yeanɔ enu kplɔm le yameŋudzeƒea ta edze ŋukpɔkplɔ wògabia be komo ne mɔkpɔkpɔ be yeanɔ eɖi dem le yameŋua me ta yameŋua dzea enyahiã lɔna ɖi gbeɖuɖɔ kple tɔwo ƒo ƒuna gbe wokpe ƒe dɔwɔwɔa le yi ke wòdɔ mea none mɔkpɔkpɔ nɔ yameŋua dzi ena amewo ɖu nu amewo nɔ tsi amewo ɖɔ ɖuɖɔ kple tɔmewɔnu enukuku kple fɔm anɔ gbe ƒum edzia ko wòle ŋgɔ yim eƒe tamesusu eƒe mɔkpɔkpɔ eƒe drekuku ke le eƒe tame be kokoko gbe ɖeka gblẽa yameŋutɔ nye ge yameŋudzeƒe nanɔ esi yameŋuwo nanɔ yi esi kplɔ yi eva me elabe edze gɔme tso teƒe aɖe ta kpi ɖe kɔ nu yi mi dzi míagblɔ koe nye be srɔ̃ le yi ke nadze gɔme tso teƒe aɖe srɔ̃ le yi ke nawɔ nane tso nane ŋuti srɔ̃ le yi ke woɖena afɔ ɖe afɔ wɔ nane ne nane nawɔ nane meganɔ anyi abo ame meli wɔ ge na yewo ame meli eƒe alɔ le ge alo eƒe asi le ge atsɔ yi ɖe dɔwɔƒe me ta yeanɔ ɣeyiɣi ɖum o yeanɔ ɖukli ɖum o anɔ anyi gbe sia gbe anɔ gbɔgblɔm be ya ame aɖeke meli wɔ ge na yewo kpeɖe ŋutɔ meli na yewo nui yawo katã ehena mi ɖe megbe eƒe ye me ya mi le mi gagblɔm be eƒe ye me ya mi le egba xexea me mi le kple eƒe gbegblẽ enanam be miga nanewo tsɔm kple vevie dodo miga wobe ƒewu megaxa amewo eƒewu amewo yina gbedoɖaƒewo amewo va trɔ tɔƒe ta amewo yina ƒe amewo do gbe amewo wodo ŋugbi amewo wɔ ɖeka amewo wɔna nu geɖe xexea me ƒe gbegblẽ kple fum mogbadzawo ƒe nufiafia ma dze gadziwo yi ke kplɔm mi le ɖo enanam be fifia míawo ŋutɔ mi mega kutri kum mega vivi dodo kɔŋkɔ kpe ɖe naneke ŋuti o ta mi manya be enu viviviwo dze be míatrɔ le ƒe ya mea afɔ viviwo dze be míaɖe agba viviwo dze be míaƒle ga viviwo dze be míadzra ɖo ate ŋu awɔ mi míazu nuteƒewɔlawo ta na asi tsam nɔ nu vivivi aɖe gã ɖe teƒea nɔ sɔ ɖe dzɔm ŋutɔ ta wò ɖokuiwo esɔtɔ anɔ sɔ dzɔm ɖe ɖokuiwo gbɔ vivivi numawo katã kasia nakpɔ akɔ eɖo teƒe aɖe ebe yeaɖe srɔ̃ dze nuwo ƒeƒle vivivivi wo kasha na kpoko aro te pare ugbo ne be amolegbe megbo adunu yina a little drops of water make a mighty ocean. Yo let me need to toma madon chucho ya ra hoge abna troba nya gere nya jojo magaka manami have nano chacham le mia fa ya valonji da mia jagumo choho we dik pirako afi makudo chuchu na ire ho we dia US revokes over 100,000 visas in crackdown. US revokes over 100,000 visas in crackdown. Enyang banto jajam la ho weday.com. US revokes over 100,000 visas in crackdown. Mozon bane alo mother de park bane. Ika mozon lozana kokana America to come. Ika nanabono na dukoma panya bomola la ho weday India. Donald Trump no tata jama fma o le funa shi garo mota ni bonne ko America du ko tefrire amal akbalo fare capo mozo bane ala ba ro ni sukuvio ro ova du komame o kaka de bojo mo jojo mo kleto ta nemi du mo chuchuma me trobo mi toga nyama America du ko tefrire amal akbalo fare ka son mozo bane your big money needed for marriage Duncan William here got a jemla ho with the monya glola gare kele Christian Action fake chapel ang global I think to be at the strong bar as you gana no she a gana no gajaro for about 100,000 aloga ho 1 billion I feel the strong Archbishop Nicholas Duncan William city news story aronya ye kokwanu moko funami yo MP Adam Kofi Potosu meets the press. MP Adam Kofi Potosu meets the press. Member of Parliament South Takwe Bamanola Ho Central. Jisna Mechan Tomala Bofia Dogo Nyajo Kakalaucho. Ke Nitapo Wamio Kobe Wakatao Jem. Abamuya Bubadudu Abe Patupreano TVG Yano de Kami Dama Enyato. Daka Nitapo Komile Bamechan Toma. If you have a don't make a grand amount of time, never gagné con que Gimpa lecturers face bond default consequences. Nyarek fiala ban pipinyala que le Gimpa Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration cho bond default. Make a grand amount of nya me go masake. That the Lumba a legend marred by controversy. Stoneboy play that the Lumba for no tataja jam. Nyave TV ojim popon Stoneboy blonyaro yike next since alomeo ke khlana nya jojo dang nya jojo mabe nya vevi e bien nya vevi aro dati lumba donc le bo vevi cho mi ma hak bogle nya entertainment segment na salama ko dum chuchu piare ma trova mia sore ngo
ta strong amanu nyamuri amanu magbo photo gbana molo Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono no galo
alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuga nana maono no ge
evi amalesho mukata so amale amanu magbo photo gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono no alele Daniel Fomakpo kunya gbana na maono no galo evi amalesho mukata so amale amanu magbo photo gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono oh wagba mi abazo ajeye Lokomi adigun maga wa de oh wagba mi abazo ajeye Lokomi adigun maga wa de alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono mogolo ebi amalesio lukata so amane yamude amanu magbo fodo gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono mogolo
alagbe popopo
amalesio lukata so amane yamude amanu magbo fodo gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono America matuo America matuo America matuo. America matuo. America matuo. America matuo. America matuo. Alala danya famapa. Yakubane namo no galo. Yawale sho mukata so amane yemu. Amano magbo bodo bana mala danya famapa. Yakubane namo no. Alala danya famapa. Jonya bane namo no galo. Oh, yawale sho mukata so amane yemu. Amano magbo bodo bana mala danya famapa. Yakubane namo no. Ta strong amanu nyewure amano magbo photo gba na molo Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana ma ono no galo
Alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuga na ma ono no ge
Evi amalesho mukata so amala yewure amano magbo photo gba na mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana ma ono no Alele Daniel Fomakpo kunya bana na ma ono no galo Evi amalesho mukata so amala yewure amano magbo photo gba na mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana ma ono
Yo nukpɔlɔ me do ezɔna mi tso do hatsotso ma yi ke mi xɔ fia me ke Ʋenyigba TV yea ƒe ŋkɔse me míele mi dzedzem le Multi TV dzi dzedzem le satellite dzi miamewo katã si decoder le kɔme dzi channel 0201 ko mi Ʋenyigba TV kpɔ ge ke ne mi be yewoanya fi ke miela Ʋenyigba TV le Jimfuga hostel yi ke le Wɔtɔe Whole Technical University amegbe tututu ta ne be ava fia ato Whole Technical University ame ale be nava ageremia dzi nkata do na ageremia dzi ro adzɔdo li ashitsame business woman edze be na ageremia dzi le miakpe ɖe ŋu le ashitsatsa nyawo me ne miɔ mi o ŋkɔ yɔ mi kpeɖeŋtsi le bubu dodo me ko ashiatsame ne la do kekem washigba do kekem ɖe ta wometsa asi le vivim o ɖewo tsa asi le gaglagbe ɖewo ɖo asi ɖe gaglagbe ana be amewo nase ŋkɔ ta te mia ŋuti le Ʋenyigba TV dzi ŋdia nava Jimfuga hostel yi ke le Whole Technical University megbe tututu ko miawoe le nye xɔ gbãtɔ le hostela ŋkume mesiame ke le ŋutɔa me ate ŋu afia wo ɖo ŋku dzi be Tony Magbo enye ŋuƒom ke mia miata ɖe miaƒe adzɔɖoɖo me le +233 242 670 773 le Togo Benin le dukɔ ɖe me mia ŋkɔse me ke mete ŋu si gba ŋlɔgo ni ke nata wɔ kpi ɖe koe nye naɖo vocal ɖe mi alo naɖo audio ɖe mi na ƒo akɔ ɖo ɖe mi ko mi ƒo ge eme nyawo katã edoa na si ke miame ke le Facebook mi da akpe na miame leke miaƒe message so vavam ho mekpɔ katã de dzesi miawo xlẽ ge le madzidzi me yo nya yiwo ke tsatsam gbãtɔ enye US revoking 100,000 visas. US revoking 100,000 visas on holiday. The US Department has revoked more than 100,000 visas, including thousands of students and specialized visas as part of a broader immigration enforcement strategy. According to the State Department, the revocations are primarily due to encounters with US law enforcement for criminal activity The affected visas include approximately 8,000 student visas, 2,500 specialized visas. The State Department's deputy spokesperson, Tommy Pigott, stated that the 4 leading causes of revocations were overstays, driving under the influence, influence, assault, and theft. These revocations mark a 150% increase from the previous year, reflecting the current administration's strict approach to immigration. So that's our first story in whole we day this morning. Yasalon Yagbanto eke pome mi le whole we day nyebe. De amaro for duko America duko monono le nkeke gbogbo yoke vai malo le nkeke yoke onao kwa dedemegbe kple anokukum don hi gbevon rezam alo ele ahare te pekoklote alo awo ngbegble fofofo yo ke yo na be criminal activity tai o te flire amakpa lo fa ka son pe visa me ta na po ke bai nye ame 75,000 lo akpe bla andre boton po ama ejide that's 150% increase in revocations. Trump nko di dimale gbegbe le miape ya valojin keke ya men Trump nko di dim aleke gbegbe enmi keta Donald Trump nko di dima yema amo keke de la America to kometo to sukuvio ko jabo trogbo ba ko du koma omo jojomo nata African lo pe bisa ma le gbegbe. Your big money needed for marriage, Duncan Williams. Ghanaian faith leader Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams has sparked controversy with his latest statement on marriage, asserting that a man should not consider getting married unless he has at least 100,000 cedis in his bank account. Speaking on CTV News, Duncan Williams emphasized the importance of financial stability in marriage, suggesting that men should prioritize building their financial foundation before taking the plunge. Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, Christian Action Faith Chapel, talk where no na afum le CTV chicho Kenya yo gbanya ba afin tuna ba the strong je ba okpobo ba galaxy ga koko 1 billion alo 100,000 e Kenya ga koko transfer ko cha ba gamana no isi ono ipe bank mama no mi na chikpo be na strong ga ya so na ga la ba ga here le strong de malwe ku ke gara ha kuna restaurant ega aten akbotana. The Archbishop's comments have generated mixed reactions, with some supporting his stance as a pragmatic approach to marriage, while others criticize it as unrealistic and insensitive to economic realities. Duncan Williams' assertion underscores the significance of financial preparedness in marital relationships, highlighting the potential consequences of entering into marriage without a stable financial footing. Duncan Williams onya ajejun afia Duncan Williams ga pon ke amoba into korokiwe into dorokibo pon chonchi alagbegbe amoka fun amondon regbo kleto alabe obanya ogbo enya manyu malade konwa ba ma no like sa hika ke mamila goma sagba goma amobia ba yin tonto yi na strona gari yusro banto ya kabudare ka hore no shie mai ma hafi ko de strona ta ngaji jin kanto to ba nya amobo nya wanya tafe fuji popo nya vio efichi fia ofisia bi konfia paganto fia ko do domle nyong pleto yon chigawa bio klek fichi popo su ku yukle nya mo ta na mare ya chukbo je strona na Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams for adaundo enyenyareka ika jeje mafia Edem Kofi Potosu meets the press. Member of Parliament Edem Kofi Potosu meets the press. Joy Kavali le Stevens Hotel ho Central. I'm teaching am chang to mala ho fia mi boba tak peto ya da yiji le ho ka Edem Kofi Potosu dogo plenya jojo kakapo kata ala New York nye pen tepo ado to alo ado blo na duaja Nepo Gania, Yamania Banto Migagro, Maunu Agbe, Ikanye Maslok Top regional head, Ganye dean of presiding members in the Volta region, Ganye presiding member of the whole municipal assembly, Yama Papa Tohiade, region. Your GIMPA lecturers face the bond default consequences. GIMPA lecturers face bond default consequences. The Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration, GIMPA, has disclosed that 5 lecturers sponsored to pursue doctoral programs abroad have failed to honor their bond obligations, resulting in a total debt of 1.7 million Ghana cedis owed to the institution. According to the GIMPA registrar, Victoria Kumbo, the lecturers had signed bonds but refused to return to support the institute's operations. The defaulting lecturers include Anne Shelley Apiache Alapiasi, who owes 777,000 Ghana cedis, Julius Kwashi, who owes 524,000 Ghana cedis, Dr. Hansen Adi, who owes 224,000 cedis, Efwa Ata Boachewa, who owes 230,000 Ghana cedis, and Christian Osei Bonso, who owes 38,700 Ghana cedis. GIMPA has taken steps to enforce recovery, including freezing the entitlements of guarantors who backed the defaulting lecturers. According to Victoria Kumbo, the measures form part of GIMPA's broader efforts to safeguard public funds and ensure compliance with sponsorship agreements tied to staff development programs. She emphasized that the institution had been able to recover some of the money. Tanya Nyasala Blankbolo Balanyala Matoro Yoka Chogimpa, Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration, Suku Koko Nyelegi, University of Nyelarukishi, Udo Amabo Matoro, Batadu Kombono Vashroom, Naina Batadu Koma, Garolio, Chona Kopona Ramanchi, Sukuri Platomo, in Plasuba, Nagboava, Playo, in your bond agreement, Nadashak Banatebe, Nay, yet, Totroga, Ava Subo, a Pualo. Ganchi ka yo peron choba ro betadu ko mako gbabe o magbogbogge abakbere yo pe suku alo suku ko kwanchi o ikenya GIMPA la de atam yo ke de magbanu GIMPA go plombe yo gbagba jembe yo pe gao o pe afia mare na yafuma amare ikele sukua ikele GIMPA ikenya nufiala alo dola le fetuji ya shi de ka gbana te be de mo gbonu be na yi na gbo na tro abakpere GIMPA nchi ta na we ke ukpere mo be na yi be ta duko na ba shung na yi ya me ke le Ghana fia hanye mu fia la lo do la le GIMPA yi ke dashi mo gbonu choi fa gao fotu kple gao kata o jaro kple gao ko dadi ne chota gamo kata koro bare ta o e ne yi be mo gogogo nyanyanyo ba meka don gbena pa ga ka to tonke ala ba jidudu alo eduaja o ga o chokofu afi chokpera ma onchi mfiala ya o ro pankonye Anne Shelley Apiate, Julius Kwashi, Hansen Adi, Efua Atabuachiwa, Bele Christiana Osei Bonsu, Ameke Denya Glonye Victoria Kumbo, Ikenye Bale Jiglaga na Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration. Mega Entertainment News. Stonebwoy Gbonyare Cho. Ghanaian entertainer Stonebwoy has sparked outrage and debate over his scathing criticism of the late music legend Daddy Lumba, labeling him as the most stupid musician in Ghana. According to Stonebwoy, Daddy Lumba's failure to resolve personal issues before his passing was a grave mistake, making him culpable for the situation. Stonebwoy's harsh words have left many in shock, given the general reluctance to speak ill of the dead. However, he believes that Daddy Lumba's actions, particularly his alleged neglect of personal responsibilities, warrant criticism. The musician's passing have been met with an outpouring of tribute, with many praising his contributions to Ghanaian music. Daddy Lumba, known for hits like Abin Woho and Obi, let's leave that, leaves behind a legacy spanning over 3 decades and more than 30 albums. His music transcended generations, uniting Ghanaians with timeless themes of love, life, and redemption. According to reports, Stonebwoy's criticism stems from Daddy Lumba's alleged failure to address personal issues, including disputes with his wives, Ekosua, Sewa, and Odo Broni. Stonebwoy believes the late musician was irresponsible, leaving behind unresolved conflicts. That's Stonebwoy. Stonebwoy. Miantome apa eche. Stonebwoy. Epung echo ke ekpung mene Daddy Lumba. Dan dulu baik nya haji lari ke jihad apa blato son ike de strong. Alo nyɔnu eve be yewo nye esrɔ̃ le eƒe kume, Akosua Sewa kple Oɖɔbroni. Nyɔnu eveawo katã wodzi vi na Daddy Lumba, ke le Daddy Lumba kua toɖadoɖa masɔmasɔ va le nyɔnu eveawo dome, ke na be wova no ʋɔnu, ena be Daddy Lumba no fridge me, no kpe fafa dzi ƒe ŋkeke gbogbogbò, dzi gbogbogbò hafi mise be va ɖi ŋtsɔ. Stonebwoy gbɔgblɔm be ale ke Daddy Lumba le agbe, ye ŋutɔ meɖe afɔ to afɔkpɔ nyi be nu yi ke dze wɔwɔe o, me yi ke tutu nye srɔ̃ kple nyakuku gbogbogbò yiwo ke ka eƒe agbe be wòna ke tso ŋutsu kple ye ŋutɔ viawo yiwo ke wòdzi, wodzi kpɔkpɔ kple ɖoɖowo katã woŋtsi hafi wòva kua, ena be ya kpe be enye ame yi ke nye hadzila yi ke edzo lẽa wu hadzilawo katã. Ta Daddy Lumba ƒe enuwɔwɔ enye nane yi ke do dziku ne Stonebwoy, ta Stonebwoy do le Daddy Lumba gbɔ tsɔ yi ke va yi. Evɔ le míaƒe dekɔnu abe aleke míawo ŋutɔ míenyae na womelɔ̃na ƒona ŋu tso amekuku ŋuti le mɔmɔ ŋu na meku kɔ ɖe kple ɖe hã ɖeko wokafu nɛ. Gake Stonebwoy ƒe ŋuƒo yiwo ƒoa to saga, ena be amewo dzum, edzo le dzum fine kple ame yiwo ke wokafum hã wokafum. Yo, míadzo tsra va do ɖe GBC Ghana Online akpɔ be ŋkawo le fi ma hã kabakaba ŋutɔ. Da GBC Ghana Online nɔnɔtatɔ dzedzem TV dzi ne miakpɔ. Government settles $397 million IPP debts in major energy sector reset. Da GBC Ghana Online ke nyadzɔdzɔ gbalẽ ke kakana nya ne dukɔ miagblɔ be dukɔ mia dukɔmeviwo ƒe nyadzɔdzɔ gbalẽ gbagbãtɔ hã ɖe nane gbɔgblɔm, nane ʋe aɖewo si hã gbɔgblɔm. Ke yi gblɔm le kpe me dziɖuɖu xe ga gbogbo yi ke nye $393 million ga gbogbo ma ŋutɔ le CD me kɔ anye 3.93 billion cedis. Onye efo alo ga yiwo ke dziɖuɖua eɖu tso ame yiwo ke kpena mía ŋuti dzo kaɖi dɔ ƒe ŋuti be míkpɔna dzo. Ke referee and student among hundreds killed in Iran protests. Referee aɖe kple sukuvi aɖe, referee ke wonye ame yiwo ke nɔ bɔl ƒom, nɔ flaga tsɔm do ɖe dzi alo wonɔ akpa kple vɔ dzi kpɔm be ƒo bɔl ɖe ɖoɖo nyuitɔ ŋuti, kple sukuvi aɖewo wonye ame yiwo ke ku le Iran dukɔ me. Dukɔmeviwo woƒe vevesese ɖem fia woƒe dziɖuɖu le Iran. Ke dziɖuɖu hã gbagba dzedzem be wo katã wotrɔ yi woƒe aƒewo me, womegblɔ tsatsam si ɖi ko dzanɔ dzodza la dzo mo. Ta wokɔ asi sesẽ kɔ wo kplɔ me, nu ya eve ku vɛ. Ame abe ame akpe 55 sɔ̃e ku le Iran dukɔ me ɖe nya yawo ta. Tehran fully prepared for war as Trump warns of military action over protests. Ke nyagbe etɔ̃lia ke le GBC Ghana Online ƒe akpagbãtɔ dzi ŋdi enye Amerika dukɔ kplɔla Donald Trump gbɔgblɔm ne Iran be ne womedzudzɔ asi sesẽ zazã ɖe ŋutɔ ƒe dumeviwo ŋuti, wowu abe ame akpe 55 sɔ ene le dzodzro ke dzɔm le sirikiwo dziwo me, eye Trump yi gbege ɖe Iran dukɔ me aze tu atsɔ ade dziɖuɖua ɖa. Nyama ele GBC Ghana Online. Yo, miagre City Newsroom. Miakpɔ nka le City Newsroom. City News one year at Joban the car, you go home, Puntapo, number over to Gagla, a low from warm. Ta name me chum upon Toma, Michona City News one, but Borang Banner the kind. Copy banner ya oku nye kimi vuna ni yapo funoji. Yo, weak forest controls could cost banks their trading licenses. BOG ones. Hey, aja makhlang ya. BOG met Dr. Isiama ikenye po ta gajaru pe agbono gala. Pono tata kwa mafia egbo blom na mia pe gajaru pe kata legana kata glokoto be ne woman Blaliji wododo sesão de CD ple eƒe gbagba yi ɖe gbetadukɔ gawo me kple gbetadukɔ gawo ƒe gbagba va CD me ŋutsi o megbedegbalẽvi yi ke ye tsɔ nu bonu kɔ wotɔ yi ke yɔna be license alo ɖaseɖigbalẽ yiwo ke le wo sia yata xɔ le wo si ta license yi ke wo katã zãna banko kata le Ghana kla kodo ko dzi bo bla lidzi obi pipa be sekple ɖoɖo ko ye o dedem tso gagbagba ŋtsi dollar ƒe gbɔdzɔgbɔdzɔ CD ƒe lãmesekpɔkpɔ de dollar ŋtsi enye afɔ ɖo yiwo ɖe ƒe me tso ŋu menye ɖoko dzɔ be dukɔkplɔla ye va koko mi sesẽ be CD ŋusẽ kpɔm sefa kple dollar kple naira kple tɔn kata gbɔdzɔgbɔdzɔ menye ŋu ko nye dzɔgbe ɖeka kple zawododo afɔ ɖeɖe fifi aɖewo yiwo ɖe emo fifi wɔna aɖewo yiwo de tome yiwo kpla kple dɔ yiwo ŋuteƒe magbegbe kple susu be dukɔ nafa ta na ame aɖe nye gadzaɖoƒe aɖe yi ke ya ŋui ke dze ŋu wɔ mo la ke yo license xɔ gozi yo container traffic rises 23%. Passenger movements dip slightly, BOG report. Container traffic rises 23%. Passenger movements dip slightly, BOG reports. Current MPP is fake. Frimpong Boateng slams party direction. Frimpong Boateng kenye G Jadola. Professor Reke Kona G Nebeto. Ike Wodokakle MPP. Ukakawazu Minister of Environment and Science. Professor Frimpong Boateng. Ike no kole buhu ike konaji negbeto boblombe MPP dunya ha ike kpome le fia amarobu so ko eleme re-electing Bawumia is as flag bearer will be a train wreck. Re-electing Bawumia as flag bearer will be a train wreck. Professor Frimpong Boateng Globe Bawumia chachake Bawumia flaga chola ne MPP a enye keteke foku anye keteke foku nya ko foku vevi aɖe yi ke gblẽna ŋua le gbegbe ŋutɔ kpɔ keteke lɔri avatɔ ɖe alo susuma dɔla aɖe yi ke no mɔ dzi kpɔ keteke ƒe breki melena kaba ta ne keteke yina afɔku kpɔ ga no yina nane lɔ ge alo dodo ge ɖa le wo mɔ dzia ŋdo gblẽna nyaganyaganya ŋutɔ. Professor Frimpong Boateng nya gblɔ be MPP tɔwo mugatsia Bawumia ko ŋu mama no mia party aroko hle mlemlemlemleto. Yo, Ghana must match global standards in surgery. Ghana must match global standards in surgery. Yo, gbana ma pe nyawo nya sesena ŋutɔ ona be megbɔna ɖeka va ɖe xlẽ ge kafi ma agere gbana ma dzia enya yo ke le Majoy online dia nyakpo Majoy online la kɔkɔ ɖe ŋtsi kaba ko afi matrɔ yi ɖe city Jola tso yo alo ƒe dɔwɔna katã kɔ tso susu katã kɔ kpla ɖe Ken Ofori-Atta ŋtsi ta afuma koŋkɔna se Ken Ofori-Atta ƒe ŋkɔ le ŋdia ke nɔnɔmetata ke dzedzem TV dzi kpɔkpɔm ye nye His Excellency His Excellency Victor Emmanuel Smith, Victor Emmanuel Smith, ikenye dukɔkplɔla John Dramani Mahama ƒe ametsatsa tɔxɛ kokɔ do ɖe Amerika dukɔ me kple be woakpe ɖe Ghana viwo ŋuti yiwo ke Amerika dukɔ me ta yɔna be ambassador ta ebe FBI involvement raises stakes in Ken Ofori-Atta detention. FBI involvement raises stakes in Ken Ofori-Atta detention. Ghana's U.S. envoy. The Federal Bureau of Investigation. If you have America, the Coca-Cola to talk with Victor Kapunang, Mbaglon Lop, Ashide Ken Oforiata, Pola Lama, Ngmakukuma, and Nabenya, Zunya Drani, Mekanya Bobuya, Valeke, with Momin in Ghana. Oforiata could stay in the U.S. despite ICE arrest, immigration lawyer explains. Ayo sana la dari kes Amerika pe so gome ihago glombe wotem ale oforiata gaka otaga no US fan sanya likely niyo nya na jimko ina vekling le major online ta metrova Bank of Ghana penya go minute kare na yi galia matung ni blom ola chofre atanchi da BOG forex controls could cost banks their trading licenses. The Bank of Ghana has issued a stern warning to commercial banks placing the renewal of their foreign exchange trading licenses squarely on the line after uncovering serious weaknesses in how institutions handle forex currency transfers. In a strongly worded public notice dated January 12, 2026, the central bank has released the recent supervisory examinations and market surveillance uncovered material weaknesses, lapses, and inconsistencies in internal control systems governing the initiation, processing, and reporting of foreign currency transactions at some licensed dealer banks. The regulator cautioned that these deficiencies significantly heighten operational and reputational risks within the banking sector, increasing exposure to fraud, financial crime, and money laundering, while threatening the integrity and orderly functioning of Ghana's foreign exchange market. In a move that raises the stakes, the Bank of Ghana made it clear that the renewal and continued validity of foreign exchange trading licenses will now be strictly contingent on demonstrable and sustained compliance with regulatory requirements and internal controls. All licensed dealer banks are hereby directed to strengthen and strictly adhere to established internal control frameworks for management of foreign currency transactions. Tanya katama blo eke ma blo mula da mano chichimuni ka tututu blo makbede jeshi hafi. All right, sanctions loom a quick one. The regulator did not mince words on enforcement. It warned that non-compliance with the directives constitutes a breach of prudential and foreign exchange regulations and could attract sanctions under the Banks and Specialized Deposit-Taking Institutions Act. Takbira kwa isiama po ndagba ntonton tota cheke wa igbo bankaro yo ke yo now more de be wo no dollar gagle homcho pota gajero pogbo ano jajram ano dodona gbetadu come akokpere gajaro la onchi bo wo chashi aple mucho gbetadu come mo soji omo gayo ko bo no ba mo yo bo no gbega to ho yo bo no gbega kweto amaro liangi ke je won la be mi yabe sidia aba don se dollar bojo le gbegbe kaka maro o gan fiti aro mabji ayo banko ponko ka ke bo ma ta shona kplo bank manager go kata le Ghana ta shona kplo mi no jibe jidudu fo more re gban le ko kona ye be akọ chashi abe gbeta ga fifi gban la o ina le banko na buda le shioko ajo na le for ni ka blom Dr. Siama Lauchi nyasalo apo gani kama suma ho lo chupia de no trova mi ajo nya ma maunyo agbe amekopetoke ike elegbonye na mava yazorango donc jibe Tony Magboy mi aplom mi ape message so no vale Facebook ble WhatsApp ji yo baymawa.
Real work happens in committees and private consultations, not just in the chamber. In the chamber, is just for the optics. The details of everything we do happens at the committee level. My performance in Accra is judged by its impact in whole. Every speech, every vote is filtered through that lens. Carrying the hopes and concerns of thousands into that chamber is a weight you feel every single day. I have about 200,000 people that I carry to the Chamber of Parliament every day. Some key achievements within the 1 year. Area of health, refurbishment of the Shia Community Clinic or health post. I did donate a Sphygmo thermometer, that is the BP apparatus. Drip stand, not the drip tractors that we have, the ones that they hang the drips on at the hospital. Yes, a stand to support the nurses who may be administering drips to people. I donated an autoclave, a sterilizing machine to the Messerbe Clinic or CHIPS compound. Same autoclave to Tabiope Jepe Avenya Clinic. And same autoclave to Stokode Ando CHIPS compound. I'm still working on an investor to come so that we started with discussions around it. Our whole municipal hospital set up a sickle cell center that will serve people within and outside the region. Within the past year, I undertook an eye screening exercise where 1,431 people participated in 10 towns within my constituency. We had a total number of 1,431 people or constituents participating, out of which 175 of them were identified with eye challenges, and we undertook surgeries for them, and they were all successful. The joy I had was one of them who had undergone treatment came to my office to say thank you to me, an old man, and I was overjoyed to see him, and I was very elated that at least I have done something good for at least one constituent. I have undertaken a sword cutting ceremony for the construction of a community clinic at Osita in Hotan here, in collaboration with Kekeli Foundation. Areas of education. I distributed 3,359 mathematical sets for BEC students in 2025. Everybody had one. And this year too, I'm looking forward to do same for the current BEC candidates. And as part of my support for the exams, the invigilators too, I had the opportunity of providing lunch for them throughout the session. Having been a teacher myself, I know what it takes when you are invigilating. Normally, the centers are far away from town. To get lunch is difficult, and nothing in the stomach can make the person aggressive towards the student or the candidate. So I thought it wise that you should cushion them so that they can stand on their feet and do their work very well. After their BEC exams, I had the opportunity of having a health walk with them and use the opportunity to educate them on how to handle themselves. And this was done in collaboration with the Municipal Education Directorate. During the Basic School Sports Festival, I supported Municipal Directorate with a set of tracksuits and jerseys. Then, later on in the year, I supported the municipality, the children within my municipality, with 5,000 branded exercise books to support them so that they can take their notes when they go to school, to support parents so that at least the burden on them is lessened. I also donated or supported 20 BC students who were going to the senior high school with trunks, shoeboxes, and some groceries. I donated 20 brand new computers to Maoli School to support their ICT department. After that, I have donated 5 desktop computers to Bankwe RC girls. And as part of it, today I had the opportunity of donating 5 desktop computers to Akrofu Agove Basic School. Then from there, we went to Ziavilume Basic School, where I went to redeem a pledge of supporting them with 5 computers. So far, within the past year, I've supported 138 students with scholarship packages. I supported the Volta Technical Institute at Mache with 10 bundles of iron sheet to support their structure, the re-roofing of a structure there. It's undergoing construction right now. So one of these days, I'll take a tour to go and visit progress of work and see how I can also support them again. It's not only education and health, but agriculture too have played significant roles. I have distributed 1,500 cartons of weedicide to the rural farmers. Whole Central has urban and rural communities. So the rural farmers, 1,500 cartons of weedicide was distributed to them. Then to that, 10,000 cocoa seedlings were also distributed across the constituency to the rural farmers. And to add to that, 1,000 cartons of liquid fertilizer was also distributed to my rural farmers. During the 2025 Best Farmers Award, the regional award, I provided a tricycle to support the municipal agric office to be donated to the best whole municipal farmer.
Ta strong amanu nyewuri amano magbo photo gba na molo Daniel Fomakpo yakugba hanana ma ono no galo
Alele Daniel Fomakpo yakuga na ma ono no ge
evi amalesho mukata so amalaye amano magbo photo gba na mala Daniel Fomakpo yakugba hanana ma ono no alele Daniel Fomakpo kunya gba na ma ono no galo evi amalesho mukata so amalaye amano magbo photo gba na mala Daniel Fomakpo yakuba hanana ma ono oh wagba nyabaga jeye nyabaga jeye lo ko nya di maga wa oh wagba nyabaga Malaysia, Mukata, so Amane Yamude. Amano Magba for the Banamala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, and Amaula. Danya Famiko, Yakuba, and Amano.
Alagbe papa.
Malaysia, Mukata, so Amane Yamude. Amano Magba for the Banamala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, and Amaula. May you come at you. America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo. I don't know Daniel from Mapa, Yakuban and Amon Baro. Yawaleso, Mukata, so Ramane. Amano Magba for the Banamala, Danya Famako, Yakuba, and Amaula. Anale Danya Famiko, Jonaban and Amaula Baro. Oh, the Avalesio, Mukata, so Amano Yamude. Amano Magba for the Banamala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, and Amaula. Oh, Robert Yabazo, Jay. Never got it, look when I did do my go. Oh, brother, never got it. Never got it, look when I did do my go. I know from a bar, I have to buy and I'm on a girl. If you have a lady, so look at us, so I'm a young day. I'm a normal girl for the Banamala, Danya for me for Yakuba. Tasrama no Yamude. Amano Magba for the Banamolo, Daniel for Makpo, Yakuba, and a Maono no Galo.
Alele Daniel for Makpo, Yakuga, and a Maono no ge.
If you have a lesson, Mukata, so Hamalayamu. Amano Magba for the Banamala, Daniel for Makpo, Yakuba, and a Maono. Alele Daniel for Makpo. Punya bana nyama ono galo. Ebi abaleko nukata so amane nyamude. Amano magba bodo bana mara ganya famepo. Yakuba na nyama ono. Oh wagaba nyabazo ajeye. Nyabazo ajeye. Lokonya jizuma gawa. Oh wagaba nyabazo ajeye. Nyabazo ajeye. Alele, Danya Famako, Yabana, Namo, if you have a lesson, look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a Roma for the Banamala, Danya Famako, Yakuba, and Amaula. Alele, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, and Amaula.
I like papa.
Look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a Roma for the Banamala, Danya Famako, Yakuba, and Amaula. May you come at you? America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo, America Makuo. I don't know Daniel from Mapa, Yakuba, and Amon no Guru. Look at us, so I'm a Magba, but the Banamala, Danya from Mapa, Yakuba, and Amaula. I Danya from Mipa, Jonaban, and Amaula no Guru. Oh, the Avalesio, look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a Magba, but the Banamala, Danya from Mipa, Yakuba, and Amaula. Oh, Robert Yabazo, Jay. Never got it, look when I did do my go. Oh, Robert, never got it. ta sra manu nyamuri amano magbo foto gbana molo Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba na maono no galo
Alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuga na maono no ge
Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye amano magbo foto gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba na maono no Alele Daniel Fomakpo kunya gbana na maono no galo Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye amano magbo foto gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba na maono oh wagba mi abazo ajeye ni abazo ajeye lo ko mi adi tumaga wa oh wagba mi abazo ajeye oh ni abazo ajeye lo ko mi adi tumaga wa alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba na maono mogolo ebi amalesio lukata so amane yamude amano magbo foto gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba na maono alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba na maono mogolo
Alagbe popopo
mukata
Yo nunca la uma da kuna mi abale ke mi koji body ma clean me vai ho do chuchuma afi mi ai de do chuchuma ma na mi nya ba mi gbora nya mo choge ke mi presiding member ike ganye dean of presiding members abe nya gbe ko abe do ike right honorable Abangbagwe wona ameka wona mi le mi apun to mafia ele mi agbo enye honorable Maunyo Agbe eke ganye regional manager ne Maslow ke nyamakwe ke no gbonye chwa ike bayi honorable Richard Akpesuke ike gbagba jembe yabliho le norton tome ne MPP ahoji ke lo kuje toshi ele bonya fia ke miawezo afi mana nyapo nyamakwe adeo afiami for the year Mr. Honorable Adam Kofi Potosu for mfo choi ka ya pe o ta pa pare ple nya ju choka kapo katan ikle mi pon tom ke nya iko gbo ma tongi cha are go mako mia atora mako koji the member of parliament for Ho Central constituency Adam Kofi Potosu has emphasized the need for balanced development, stating that everyone should have access to the benefits of progress, likening it to having a taste of the milk. According to Potosu, the challenge lies in addressing individual needs while catering to communal requirements, often leaving some unmet. Peter Potosu Punchobe Amarovana Yegbokula wonto for Gokushi Kuheo, Alonto for Kuhaba Merikewene, the Koda Shina Abe Nyap sort of Menola le amechanto ikanya titina amechanto maha tutae tajigera ihihana ni yaona dokishimo alomo de keke oplami ko jiba yaona ntome ga ke gbagba jemwe miniki alo no tv ike jirure ya mama meshame Nado said the MP highlighted several achievements, including scholarships, distribution of laptops to Mauli School, and the shortcutting for a community-based health planning CHIPS compound at Hosita, a collaborative effort with Kekali Foundation. Other initiatives included distributing of chop boxes to students and the construction of road projects. Ye ma computer na sukuaro ave Mauli School, RC Girls School, yo suku vo le me pontoma ye o tu yo dekba dona conviviare tutu le hositan tuome. Potosu's office also distributed 3,359 mathematical sets to all BC students in 2025, ensuring every student had the necessary tools for the exams. Additionally, he provided lunch for teachers and invigilators throughout the exam sessions, promoting a conducive environment for studies. Tabe ejagba sukuvio pa konta o mo ye pere sukuvio nchi ro nya wo ye now the do pe formula BC a amesha make va nye do po takpo la lo me ko pona wo sukuvio mo fi le do po ngro mo ina ngudo ndo shanto la ba maro o donare un toro mo ke suku mo krama liayo e na ba mesha ko susuma fa ameke pona sukuvio ji na onya bo mo du mo do uma ta no na mo no utano for what you do na the view pleto Potosus initiatives extend to supporting the Municipal Directorate of Education, donating track shoes, providing 5,000 exercise books to students, alleviating the financial burden of parents. You also supported 20 students transitioning to senior high schools with all that. MPs he also donated, provided 1,500 cartons of weedicides, 10,000 cocoa seedlings, and 1,000 cartons of liquid fertilizer, and on and on and on. Nyo obe yewania. Evo minto gazamolo. Juro gawe. Agboba do ha nye yento yeto abe municipal best farmer yento ple Moto King tricycle alobo chokbere assembly anchita do ha nye fokutukuma gae. Akakpagantoko nimi gromba potosu wo jiru for guy me for guy yo honorable maunyo agbewezo
yo okay ni ho agbendi
indi pome
edo
edevio
ofo
wezo
yo ni ole do jikakaka
mawie
makomo gbogbo ma do agbendi na solo katan gben polaw evieto nyama ya wa channel no na Ebanyigba TV nkole de krala ededoku fia Ebanyigba TV bi agba weleke ya na manyame ko da jijom to me ba fia ji yenye be topic yana dana mi discuss na ko topic bu vagbala man be o meja background angoma zikira nyaawo jona nyaawo be nigba ji me kono ya dara na ngogba a discuss o kabo mi ma ko ya ojo le ge pe te fo bu ava ta na doje si na be mi discuss mi am nya fa so ta ko ma yila orun abo adam Kofi Potosu wo cho ge fa ya me ka jibela eletefe ta pe na ka be ko nya be dana mi iglo maka jibe echo never ya nto cheme no fima me poe ta eletefe sa de jawagba me no ko nya ko na window wa potefe abe enya ke dara ya nya kata mi ajuro me ni ya tefe ne ko nya ngi tefe me pocho pere ko nya be le mi agbo le ho central constituency la akenye zigmanto akme me po MP de ke he edito me ben yinto ni ya akpe nya jojo wala o me ya de o ame ya o nye ntefe wala o ye mi o stakeholders alo cho de le ju o fe ngogba yi me nova nine play ale be nu yo kata ye wala fedeka me o de dosi abe MP ago me mi se ko me be alo mi ati se ko me be la e de to so ta ko me le 7th of January kile ko ta e ho fedeka now yin to be MP a me mi o kwa no gbe bia yi ele te fe ovuvu amo afuka de program abiagbe amoro no pele program ro wa abiagbe a o yin to ya ko yi ku ya danai a de agbro ni ya o ile o ni ya o bite wa sofa mi a bia ba bia o yi alebe nuki o biaga wo le fe ki o gbona me na ase nyako akono ipolo mi akono kudo jinai akaju eletefe anya to meti ne so takwefe me ila o nenye be eyire so takwefe ma ni ya o jire fi ma je na gbona wa na minya kegbela ma gbolo be government fe le 1992 e mi je ya fe democracy go ma Nyavadogo amole du viome aƒoƒu agblɔ na wo be nu ya wole sewɔtakpeƒe me ɖe ya gake gbe tɔtrɔwo va míaƒe mɔɖaŋuwo li ta edzem na miasi nyadzɔdzɔdɔwɔlawo ame yawo si media house wole including yourself nye no va aɖo toe eyi dzidzɔ enya kpɔ si gbɔdze be nɔ egɔme míaƒe dɔ ɖe sia ɖe ho de asi na wa nu ke wo mena nɔ wɔwɔ koe be la accountability gbɔgbɔ be he account to the people at every given point amen wa bia kokoko ta mi fo abɔta ne míaƒe sewɔtakpeƒe me la ke nu ke wo gblɔ tso ke la akpɔ be la ele klalo be awɔ dɔ and abia be lo aƒo nu yawo katã kpɔ akpɔ over 5,000 mathematical sets amane GHS yo akpɔ over ala lobby over 30 boreholes akɔkɔ ve and so on lo ƒo ta kre nu yawo eta me dankro zikre ve enya me ke we no vegbe de lo dodo be beblewo ko hon le fiasi beblewo ne le nkura mi la bɔkɔ no va gbɔ le nya le gbɔ na la aɖo toe akɔ o ame ya la eya ne nana nya de kɔ bɔbɔ ɖekui bɔbɔ kɔ va yi gbɔ ɖekui bɔbɔ nuƒo le si ŋutɔ ata enɔ bɔbɔ ne lobby within 1 year cheap compound ese gɔma within 1 year la edze agba gre contractors oti the Sokode Akrofu road na mi nɔnɔmetata ma katã tsɔ mi kpɔ eye nu ke ga vivi na me nye be míaƒe mɔmefia ehanɔ teƒea nenye be vutoto ekpɔ enɔ gblɔ tsɔ eye ɖo to be eya nenye be wokɔ ga ɖe na MP la ga va na assemblia hele míaƒe mɔmefia gbɔ míyɔna ga ma be district assembly common fund ke nu ke wo be no ko akɔ be la yi mo ava bie be yi de kuku ne da asi ga na nya kɔ dɔ ke. And that is the law. You must come to the MCA. The MC don't go with the word of MC Levy. Atang who them be yatabe ifagbo be look pere uni at cheap compound. No na guy ne a couple mathematical sets. Look pere uni afle we decide ne agbedelao. Look pere uni afle best farmer man of my hojo. Abu dasile tricycle uni the best farmer in the municipality. Goma. Okay, the member come on growing up town there. I'm going to say, look at governor concept. No, lobbying is not necessarily your pocket. This is come on from mathematical sets. Every a company. I mean, premium. I mean, you diploma of mathematical set. Eya oko home gini la mo tesi. Ko na mi view and. There's one area here attached about 138 students in scholarship, so 138 in within the municipality. Scholarship mala akobe no matter what the via we have very more resource why you ji. Agome do the shadala nenye be ele the shadala wole pe pera mo winto me build me pede the jo the school point of ale dorasiola. Miadwagba ta the fima ho jagba le neme de wala wa zu do me gbonya do mo nba tara nya ke koronki na wala mala tawe abe kanu the few fu be quick money de tala kasa ko ji kanu na ma ko if you come to me right now if you want mo ta mo no wo ide kukure no ji kanu de na wana kukugo asa go ma and the fima ho jana gbojre na khrono be awo me kanu buwe do Domo 18 years job. Kene honorable producer project si hebe de hima o imanawa kukando no the school. That is the one of the most important in all. And hemitan jawabak pota nemnya view school danyawa. Society kimenya no la akobe yevo level headed society de. Kinsia no hemia wala akobe nana duchume. Ta jawaba to asi enu ko ho le village. Ke mia globe wakata o. Not possible. I feel like there are more years ahead of it, 3 years. The fundamentals are strong. The fundamental, the word fundamental was to This is the word fundamental.
Kedun kuba miaji.
Kore ka kweba. Agabi yo ka yale sa, ka senko. When was the last time Bobiaka said the word fundamental?
Yeah, Madola.
So the fundamentals are strong. They are not weak. So it is obvious that the strong fundamentals are going to propel the MP to do wonders in future. And we believe that we want more. We are hearing more of the lobby. We want more cohesions. You come closer. We are ever ready to support with ideas. And as a presiding member, one thing Hemaga call up about an investigation. Let me have a sitting assembly. You hardly see MPs attending to our sitting. He's one time Ejawagba. Me call for the local government because he's a member of the assembly. He's an S official member. Efana, after brief me, that is a novelty, and we want more of that. Quarterly basis and all. That is good. People, if you deny the people the information, they will get their own information. Because you are correct or correction, it becomes too late. And if you watch carefully across the country, there is this determined posture of the government to be accountable to the people. And I'm a little you have to be explaining, demonstrating how to do it. And as I speak to you now, Edem Agbana is going to do a press soiree. You see a checkbook, honorable checkbook from Hogway. He's also warming up to do his. Yes. And that is what we are calling for. Okay, so the people, governance will be closer to the people. That is about governance. If it's not closer to the people, the essence of I know I'm recommending we always see a candidate about it. No, there's no way it can shine. We are poised, and I want to salute Honorable Adam Kofi Kudusu for New York Town or the Guachagwai. More give to his elbows. That is how it's supposed to be. I'm happy for him, and I'm happy for Host Center constituency and entire municipality that we are on a growth path. Yeah.
Akbe yo nyasala Honorable Maunyo Agbe Ikenye presiding member Ganye Dean of presiding members le Miapo Amunto Katama for Gbemamese assembly member o Ganya aye Ganye regional boss ne Maslow ta ngaro jim le America ya pagbama ntepo la onyento yo nyasala donc jiba mi mianko san la point party biji la Facebook fuma mi apa tamosusu mi apa dango o tutugaba echo togbi fighter of fighters togbi be yo we a yapon agara wana mi mo fuma haro ta mi aja gwa bana mi anko sema na ngolo susu aro ra mi la WhatsApp ji +2332426707773 mi amokele toguma pleto e English amanya ngolo na mi vocal never makalaga audio never kami amokele gana mafia mi tango English am nyurura na mi anko se English manya ngolo ha ina tawo audio message ko duida ko nya mo dan dola o sitrokenchi ozu abana mi akhne ma khodo mo chuchu piare no trova ma trore nya mo popo velianchi magakashi radio mchi magakashi TV anchi agbona
ta strong amanu nyamuri amano magbo photo gbana molo Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono nogalo
Alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuga nana maono noge
Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye amano magbo photo gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono alele Daniel Fomakpo kunya gbana na maono nogalo Kata so amane nyamure amano magba foto bana mara danya Fomakpo Yakuba na maona oh wagba banya baza jeye na baza jeye do kwanya dizi magawa oh wagba banya baza jeye oh Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba, Fagobana Mala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, Anana Maula, Anana Danya Famiko, Yakuba, Anana Maula,
Alagbe papa.
Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba, Fagobana Mala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, Anana Maula. America Matuo, 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 America Matuo. Another Danya from Mapa, Yakuba, and Amon on the Buru. Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba, Fagobana Mala, Danya Famako, Yakuba, Anana Maula, Anana Danya Famiko, Jonyaga, and Amona Nogaro. Oh, Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba, Fagobana Mala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, Anana Maula. Amano Magba photo bana molo, Daniel Fomakpo, Yakuba, Anana Maono Nogalo.
Alele Danya Famako, Yakuga Nana Maono Noge.
Evia Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba photo bana mala, Daniel Famako, Yakuba, Anana Maono. Alele Danya Famako, Punya Bana Namaono Nogalo. Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba, Fagobana Mala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, Anana Maono. Oh, Wabba Nyabazaje, Nyabazaje, Lokonya Dizumaga. Oh, Wabba Nyabazaje, Nyabazaje, Lokonya Dizumaga. Alele, Danya Famako, Yakuba, Anana Maono Nogalo. Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba, Fagobana Mala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, Anana Maola. Anana Danya Famiko, Yakuba, Anana Maola Nogalo.
Alagbe papa.
Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba, Fagobana Mala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, Anana Maola. America Matuo, 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 America Matuo. Anana Danya Famako, Yakuba, Anana Maola Nogalo. Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba, Fagobana Mala, Danya Famako, Yakuba, Anana Maola. Anana Danya Famiko, Jonyaga, Anana Maola Nogalo. Oh, Malaysia, Mukata, Sahamana Yamude. Amano Magba, Fagobana Mala, Danya Famiko, Yakuba, Anana Maola. Oh, Wabba Nyabazaje,
Yo, Mpola Madakwanami, Habaleke, Ichia Bengwa TV. TV chache le TV mamleo kata doma mi wo de kapa kwa mi bishangi. Dapa ndi ona gaji mtoni magbo ye nyamfom ke afi ma hoduma chuchuma honorable ma onya gbe fon kafu nyo ke honorable Edem Kofi botosu detome de glo na do aja echo le tapope ke wo kule nyajojo kaka po nyajojo kaka la kata le cho ike vaime MPP to akonogar ka le miato me ke babaja be ya zo flaga chola na ekona nyaunchi le miam yo ke le amuganto me MPP to do makwa ni onye be nye nyaum dala do motora ka dunya hela pifira ka ye hanye mi aponto ma honorable Richard Akposuke wezo va Bemba TV
Tony Mazolango
ayo eke mwake
Bonye mi fo nya
ayo
after fa nwe fine
afanye
o central to how far
ape
and people mi opi o bi odugbena ba nigba TV pola opi o nya sela opi
afafa le MPP
fa le pa
ali
afa gale mi jajira do gale wo mi promise 31st of this very month ka be 2 weeks ala ko so na ga the 2 weeks ento ha Saturday egbo week ko anyo ko mi promise aba Amicho but the Donamo Tohe to MPP National Headquarters Var Region who Central Constituency all that constituency all voter region for governor Veniba TV wala opo nya sala opo
ape
ndo be tohe ne vele ha ma onyo agbe
esi
ne be do na ba zu MC ha fi oto otroshi le tumene the next about 50
years to come.
No, Uga Trovala. About what you know, MC, no, why elevate a little bit higher now MC position.
Was regional minister.
Yes.
Honorable James Gunu, but joke bano. Yo, nyai leptome be honorable Edem Kofi Potosu, akhlemi ko mo subatata cho suku de konji la masepeto peto. Lekena ko mtapo yo ko be wocho.
Yo Tony, afimayi onyaba ma do egbeto hene honorable Potosu. Amonyo menye in person. You bolo office ma nyabe nu fiala odi. I was district regional directorate Prahapo. Proud to campaign but but I do directly one-on-one but please, so I know him as in a person. Menyame tongue we know. And I wish him all the best. Though being that play, we just define ideologies. Like I'm on your ni lebene abi eduvine na atema wo pepere munyale na evenko. Tony mi o nyam nwa bi nyem keke anya eve dukonu nyanwe hokwa. I'm all for it. Menya kanya MPP, nya kanya NDC ka kanu kwade komi break anya demi oki onyeji. Ona iji twa see ona onyo le enshrined in our constitution. Then MP la once in a while our takwe plea unutumato ase o hahia o we wa down because e work up onyo dana the world dina if I know gamana no your own as a nyaman ma ta le have na yi la le bi na temo afa guna ba ho wa down do okay fine le this time la na e wali le yi ba hale bi na guna ba ma dia na bi ale consider ma lo jumi ya lo pe ma le ko dinyiki ta no me o nyu entonyi ma o yiji nyu fine aka we want to be voter region who central as a constituency or as a municipality and gbogbo yana who central to and man ogbo ho bi me amayo nyepa MPC of you le voter region o le nyetem le me voter region le developing me ale we developing me because wa bi na mi pelonti ko vai dudu ko ma vokwa gede o nro mi ble ta jijo ko nyon be ye Honorable Potosu amamno mi mamu ho central to blo etem va me ziba antoni ke o woke akwa botane le ema oma da fi ava enya oma na na lo be nyenu yo be ma mathematical set ye was scholarship na amalo ye la lobbying for cheap compound ye la lobby mo lo ha lobby le Akrofu akwayi soko de akwayi Akrofu Peter pe vuvu alo do onye nto ema do mami dasi ni ma ka I mean, she you to whom much is given, much is expected. Now we are one of you, will be a man of man or your kuji or your ku go. Maybe no, that formal like a Louvatiste. We need more. We need more. If you're more, you're here now, available. You're here, any bag boy, be. You try a pay by your cook, John Dramani Mahama, who sent about Catty sort in a big push. Lolly Mama Day, O State Day. Gaudo, afforded a cowji, honorable to CP, minister, I planner, wood minister, regional minister, I planner, Flagstaff House, because the big push, it is within the Flagstaff House. That will be, don't work money on Tony, I'm monitored. Over cat sort, your Kujo, you may like a semo. A job I'm not expect to be honorable put to autonomy update a little to be okay, fine. Funding va a moja government, state your doniki because somewhere September, you over cat sort a mama. Your promise me is just 24 months, which is just 2 years. That within this, at least a year about 5 months, Niki or Hokrahan. That in your state cow do Umba Antonima. No, natural so what the good by once that I probably a wallow and modula again, Modina Pagologape, Napola be a enemy to back bay in a boogie, i.e., a flower, because that one I connected about 7 different constituencies. That he never voted to pound on Totomoma. Time be a bay. Now, honorable Mauna, but I tried the buggy one to see me what the right to I came here to Ghana MP, voter to or be near the model state did the Kuba cat story because experience son le missing. The politicians who especially name va never good deal. All I va now over all I papa don't balon me. I can all do value me book with all them belly young. The guy here in a vote for Ugava, I got a cafe if you could do. Me be me a gallon lemon imagine home. After job MPP Taji Hammy way. He got a million family reset work. Reset and even blow your me whole way. Naga blow who never you. At a mama hotel, maybe a him who sent up, maybe enemy, Papa, you talk, you would do. Maybe enemy, who stayed the Aleu Elimiano, briefly Holland, teacher, no Napa MP, I plan a regional minister. Umba Antonima. Let me va and feel out no. I would dollar teaching field up. A your school, a your scholarship, mathematical settle. Kakamawe, you will agree a low hanging fruit so. And how gown to all in a Yapolabi. Teacher motivation, the Aleu. Teachers you the onami nyabine over your nami employment. Teachers you nyame on your view on your central view knowledge and the school do go, the clinicalist would do, the teacher clinics would do, the university would do, how be all the money who promise me being your valor within 2025 like I recruit about say 5,000 teachers. This can be who central all benefit to me. Nyame teaching field the how is it? Nyabo field nyama anyam to gamanti part on to. Nyakola be day. Who sent to the Nata model first year, or fill me potomato recruit teacher on a new. Promise Camilla Matevamo. Going forward, the honorable to sue. Maybe who sent to the middle of the mere V or even all you teaching food on a day. I promise can you kill our name? Be me at a quarter on a view what wow. You know, you are on your slow, you will follow. Oh, honorable Mawagber. Every day, I'm never call so home. Believe you are all be your do electronic college your war. Young will ancestral example. Who post your wood, I didn't call your job more. Who sent to a my tag that I put your more. Oh, no, you're together. Now put us to education side the Hanima. President Mahama promised me be. Nana don't go for offer projects you of you will ship to me. Then you're over Elaiji. You have a copy of common fund legacy project aluminium common economy. I call it a all the whole central handy. I live Mokau, you call it to minimum. When I have parliament got Uga Tanino, they eat me honorable to sue, and not ever young go and be I can hear no more. Ta, the poor roof, the partition food, health side, whole central, if I'm not mistaken, I general one of the whole central. Yes, Adakuboya will. West.
Yes.
Yes. Tamiakola be miapo health said hardy improvement. Can you try me say post it doctors alo? You have been over voter rating. Trafalgar which falls within whole central day. Doctor all state was over miapo ratio patients nurses ratio elle est very low. Ni school vie me vie all the school dogo. O central vie all the school dogo. Motari de vie all the school dogo. Nurse training so dogo. O mo post wo de, o pro conditions wo de. Ni le honorable ko to si BMB. July on above am law office. Because every individuals are more above. I don't go nyama. I be individuals are more above. July on above. They you know e ko o pe view post o ku over body afọ ka de ga ole lo nti o. Oliver Twist, we ask for more. Let me call Kama Dalaga. O Central, last 2 weeks, he said provide that to the mosque, regional mosque. About last year, somewhere last year, regional minister, Honorable Gunu, James Gunukli, Honorable Dr. Former Minister, Lechavai Dugule, somewhere in the south. But I get to South and get to North Kamagudi. Yeah, Honorable Dr. Lechana Onyabi, he left the region for him in a safe hand, which is Anukwade Pounds, Dr. Obone. It is just unfortunate. A few weeks ago, I missed a move right that to the regional mosque. The status the Aliulo, maybe security now, the Aliulo. The whole central. Now the Kunebi, Emma, no job, I'm a the regional coordinating council, which is within his constituency. The police the regional directorate is within his constituency. All the security service, the regional directorate couples are within his constituency. The traffic law, you know, the alumni attack it so and yama. Actually, the camera say we go arrest him. I'm serving for visa fraud. Kwa the whole central, our security we are opened. The traffic level hunting any. Let me call commander. Oh, Gantopa in your 24-hour economy. Who central benefit to man? Kake it's a mirage. If I go mimo portanet 1 year la mimo portanet. What how for them? Obey 2026 la yola jagoma. Ibe you missy. Can we go my jagger femia do berabe? It mono show you to communicated somewhere last year. Everybody it was a dream. A kuku no. Tamamuno baby. No nyola I love. What dream a lawyer do edit 1 year solid Edinburgh. Tama Karaji be Kelvin Nacho 31st ever. John Dramani Mahama 31st night. Ekma Mekwa sorry for the form. Last week, I said they got invite our praise 1 year in office praise. Then she said, no, I'm gonna lord of home. She said, the dream must come to reality. And then you invite to reality 24-hour economy, whole central day, you have a benefit Kalemo. Near VOB, 1 man, 3 shifts. You're here. Everyone be the Vialo, the Ocho Kobi Akukaka, Ole Oyom Lenti. No, because people are doing a do employment job, yen Nagana to Dakona, and this overwhelming. Takeva be never do Omo. The 24-hour economy. Who sent to be Mr. Potus, Honorable Potus, and Yenayo? Can they throw you parliament fear? No, how many Legamana be? Who sent to be your name? Your now NDC 100% vote. At time, Oliver, to whom much is given, much is expected. At time, you're here 24-hour economy, no implementing. Secretary Temegan Nogamaju, the when you to high, I mean, 24-hour economy. Second nuclear for me, and Yanuka we are creating so many ministries away. All those segments, now head directors so that are Guzitano, black voila cho of Boji, as a government. I don't even here, everyone you here. That whole center at talk, and not going to whole center at 24-hour economy. No, we're not joking, and never joking to your boy. As a government, no matter how to your boy or did on your hour. Because whole central actually is the gateway to voter region. Because this is where the regional capital is located. As a government, I don't see how much low constituency la whole central aba. The VRCC is whole central anybody. The Pula Nama Senuma. At that day, who central the whole no voter region become near Papa Federal. Tablet, but the Maui be by name who central at all, Unola. Eta and walk you off you way because you have Valentine. Then what do me? Apola go sit us today. 1 year Vaila, o feel me potola no ma aguma akamanya be enye nieta ona bo koto su no pe bra wa bota na nya bi first time anye onyo esenya goma first time so bo hwe na for nyo ye odam lo afọ onye toki odo vivini pe ndi etem do ezikra ha be o no ba be person ya donya kaka mo yo wo do ku bi onya ma shishi o le party e manya MP so yo le gama yo le front bench la wo bo mo le voter je to bulu na naka mo gado bo ho meet the president wo me to le mo wada kan to ha accountability to account to their constituent wo bo ho mo le wo mhala ko ame yo pio ma ton ke dem agbana enya me ye we ba wo bo first time so bo we la fonye order that the view ame yo matwe kafa me we the view me fie bi wonya be the view no le parliament wo bo we ba o ma shishu bo nyola lo pa to ma shishu no so no to the view ogbo donc la vem de ko nya vembe o central there is a lobby in the honorable kotosula ye ma ole mi wa mo lo ha mi la lo le because no de la ha next year la MPP and next election MPP nya possible tell us
nya mama nya reke mo
ese goma eta na amele no ye wo eta the lobby ma una gbe o le assembly ni talk your and this talk your le no ma wo le to me bi wa de honorable kotosula ama ko ko we afọ ya over dem ho do me di ama ole parliament ko me da fo ta no da silenti no wa wo do no wa se gbe because me nya be nya gbe me le like gbe wa pe dem 24 hour economy no te job mala wa di do na o central view no wa wo alo ma di do na o central view wa la manya be la di do na no wa wo wan ye yin ke mi fail you ni me pe na wo ka ke manya be kele be next year yo la this year yo la jego mo hu mi we no wa nyo ta wo we wo do ka ke no va no gba no kwa de tru lo aja lo va gba no kwa de tru de akafu nyata Oxygen City o central la Oxygen City o central la in house state dey no na mianya na hoto ndo afie bi ko about jamboree le do me bi o ba cat sort ko ajo akepe me la voter into mi ma ga lo le nyama jina ho mi agba no kware na nke ko nya cat sort na ho kwa no la ja agba bi wa ile je awo no na mi
akpe yo mkpolo afo ga sheke ke mi mian kosem le Vanyigba TV ji mi ga mia pom le Facebook ha le Vanyigba TV ji mi ke na to wa le ga popra me yo na de o tamususu o mpopo ato mi khona do chicho piare e yar ko no ga vire ko ke na matrova honorable Maunyo Agbanchi alomia sorango maga fiar ko no TV agbo
ta strong amanu nyamure amano magba foto gba na molo Daniel Fomakpo yakugba hanana ma ono no galo
alele Daniel Fomakpo yakuga na ma ono no ge
evi amalesho mukata so amalaye mure amano magba foto gba na mala Daniel Fomakpo yakugba hanana ma ono no alele Daniel Fomakpo kunya gba hanana ma ono no galo evi amalesho mukata so amalaye mure amano magba foto gba na mala Daniel Fomakpo yakugba hanana ma ono oh wagba ba mi abazo ajeye lokoni adi tumaga wade oh wagba ba mi abazo ajeye lokoni adi tumaga wade alele Daniel Fomakpo yakugba hanana ma ono mogolo ebi amalesio lukata so amane yamude amano magba foto gba na mala Daniel Fomakpo yakugba hanana ma ono alele Daniel Fomakpo yakugba hanana ma ono mogolo
alagbe potopo
amalesio lukata so amane yamude amano magba foto gba na mala Daniel Fomakpo yakugba hanana ma ono America matuo 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 hamana nyaude. Amano mago bodo bana mala danya famiko yakubana na mauna. Tas hamana nyaude. Amano mago bodo bana mala danya famako yakubana na mauna nogalo.
Alele danya fomakpo yakugana na maono noge.
Evi amalesho mukata so amalayemuye. Amano mago bodo bana mala danya famiko yakubana na mauna. Alele danya famako kunya bana na mauna nogalo. Evi amalesho mukata so amalayemuye. Amano mago bodo bana mala danya famiko yakubana na mauna. Oh, wababa nyabagajeye. Nyabagajeye. Lokwanya dikumagawaje. Oh, wababa nyabagajeye. Nyabagajeye. Lokwanya dikumagawaje. Alele kanya famapa. Yakubana na mauna nogolo. Ebi amalesyo lukata so amane yamude. Amano mago bodo bana mala danya famiko yakubana na mauna. Alele danya famiko yakubana na mauna nogolo.
Alagbe popopo.
Amalesyo lukata so amane yamude. Amano mago bodo bana mala danya famiko yakubana na mauna. Meika matuo. America matuo. Meika matuo. America matuo. Meika.
Nupola o abemba TV for ndio na ya gym dakunami abala kemizo zo adu adu mi afanya mojojo o kakam o takakam fifi ami cho hunto me ina degi. Court orders AG to justify continued detention of Seidu Abagri. The High Court has ordered the Attorney General to file a written report justifying the continued detention of Alhaji Seidu Abugri following claims by his lawyers that he has been unlawfully held in custody since December 29, 2025. The order was made during proceedings on a habeas corpus application challenging the legality of Abugri's arrest and detention by the state. The court directed that the report be filed on or before January 21, 2026, with the matter adjourned to January 26 for future hearing. Alhaji Seidu Abugri has been at the center of the chieftaincy dispute in Boku, where he claimed to be the Boku Naba. The claim, however, was rejected in a mediation report submitted by Otumfuo Tutu, who was tasked to lead the mediation efforts. The report also affirmed that Nyaselo nya takakara va sumiagbo va sumiashi High Court alo von droppe gauw do motor ka von droppe ko ka legi de bebe Dr. Ayeni for do fa kenye Attorney General and Minister of Justice for do fa na va de mi ka tawole Alhaji Seidu Abugri ke Otumfuo globe pe nmakuku ple gbagbajeje be alavu le boku fianya om pe de be me o je bonye boku na ba lo boku fiaga de mata ona woli Olivia was in Kakabuwa Makamata Venura Shencho, over her degbe, whom the Baba no bill, I don't have the me. They at High Court, the Baba Attorney General, Nova Ovangulo, Bane, no short that you for Balanjaro for your church strategy as Orangola, you go Yama. Zugatafi Alhaji Seidu Abugri, Yeke Wo Fialo, Choro Cubene Fialo, Amaro, Hachuchuaro, Yokel Bibli, Nyayam Boku, Abe, Fiana Fio di Ale Shiko, Ogala po vita washima buguma amanta po la nya kai ka vasa sa dumne nya salo matro honorable mo nya gunchi
Yo, enya ya de na fi do yin ma no mega discuss ya fi. Angoma boku to fe nyara nyamro eba titunami ba titunami go be manu agbe la yin gba keji he yeho amawo esegoma ko owe vala evado ayin gbaji mawo he me ma yin gbaji mawo a fi abe efia ala fia nyagbo ala ba mu kukuchi me esegoma aku free amoku kaka to the extent bela duli bo bazu goes down na da kama gala jiyo kai me ka pe fia jia mura bruno lolu fere goes down dia eno ndo kwenye biaza tara bokunya zigire ya cho de vie me kala me tan paying attention to me. I'm not interested in, but look at zigire security issues odo tarara dola umajimi senya mkitu tawala afeto feda ago menya bele asante ni be mediation report mela obe mekpomu aga akodo ko be nye fiao kak anye dumevi no lola ata no do ne me lola ata do le do me fa gake asante ni tegbere jibe maga akodo ko alo akodo ko jibe nye fiao etegbere jinto nyache mi khoreji ni fike mi dola enu ma menye politics as usual be nyanye report ke head to asante ni bo o mi don pia na fe immediate past president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo told me as asante ni the same work after president Mama Gava that will continue the work and give him report. So egbera nuke he maji be mega joko je I wouldn't want to see any political party be ya ile megbene abugiri allo ile megbene bokunaba I political party kile ile megbene because it tells you that maunyan sana be I want an independent report. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo be na asanini jawagba na miasi juma chichi ojo boku kungo mekro lenkure ruling akata nine from Supreme Court to the High Court every place lenkuro na now let me have to be nyabala nujajia ojabinya kada mi kodeme asante hini ewo fe do a fifty mil la $1 eje mi abeteun enyi lo ko gbogbo be nyema jibe political party deke never call ko fure akpareke mo and akpake mo yama gbogbo be na asante ni eje agba nne lo akoko pe be political party they say or any politician renowned politician they head them nyaki onjaga le afutudara funojila no sanctioning because is one of the easiest way people are using
mekana sanctioning
the party should sanction the person and yeah as any producer may no sanction and you will respect that if you ever our door for la our going door because of their they are politicians, you will be guided, and that power should have been given to Asante to point out those who are creating problem. Because I know like I'm okay, keep the person with that unlawful. Because happy scopus can help brother is to produce the person lawfully. Yes, that is by law. Let's allow the legal luminaries to do their thing. The reason why they are keeping the gentleman, for all you know, is for security reasons, as I said. Okay, now the court is demanding, go and do it. But you might expect the political party, hey, what you are doing is not good. Hey, immediately you are beginning to do that. Then, because you are from a certain stock, the other party are going, this person is speaking for me. Therefore, you are here, menya kokona mi o menya kokona mi be mia no vi boku to wano nyakeji wado fi ku wa yi de ma akenche wa globe as quickly as possible la the attorney general should produce their answers to the court. And that is what they are asking. They're not reasonable. They're not so reasonable. Because I am here as a leader of my municipality. I know the northern setups in my municipality. And I can tell the Nintontora, they demonstrated division in front of me here in this municipality. But they seeking for certain assistance from because they were never calling the Kanye Jugbajifi issue there. I mean, I'm from the Boku area, Jinek Penamian, is it Kusasi or whatever. Let me hear Agbe. Come a Yobola in my hotel. I'm a Yobola over Novella. I'm a man of Majira. Opium yet have a figure or Juna. Yan is whichever and I look where I make Yan myself for Jugajito as a woman. Now, Conya Bonam can jockey. I mean, here very old much I can never put a young and may have costly here. Let me a John and Mila Potarena. Immediately, let me your driver cool. Sure. O Calonia. O Calonia. O job in your bro. O Calonia. You see how Tanan Gajima you see the way that they are descended, even to Emelefilo, Menya Bokumiloro. But the spirit, that kind of spirit, exists among the people here. Divisionally, as a woman. And it took me a lot of help. Later on, I cannot bring a man pussy to a Kusasi man to go and support. As a woman. Doesn't happen. Yeah, I don't know. I can't even identify any of them. You know, they are all from the northern stock. I mean, I call you know the way we relate, we see them. Just like the way the accounts only Okuramia Vekotoko as a woman. Until me, them I had them in number of Vedumeli, Tomutojoli. Thereby for them. And Fabia to Sandy President Mahama. And then the demand is that about 10 billion cedis is going to be dedicated for some development in that enclave. We are expecting the Majibe no called division called Tutefao. It's one place that no demonstrate the unity. Okay, now is the spirit of the local governance architecture. The assembly members, unit committee members, to bring the people together. Let them have a hand in building whatever the president wants to bring there. No Jabagba senior no man. I'm a sound do. No la work gradually one of the cover one of Ava. Kakane oyi ko in a form of communal spirit or labor lapo. Na over probably work contract no. They should bring people. I'm never no government or no fascinating no man. You got to do my bojaro. And that is the only advice I think I can put on your airwaves. And then we also push the Anedo President Hamburg so that we use the local government architecture to bring development to that enclave. But the demand is in place. Why are you keeping the person? It's the duty of the court. Court judgment. I will not be here and say that you keep someone, you don't explain. The democracy that we are practicing, there's nothing that must be hidden from the people. And that demand is in place. That's a demand margin, and that is the way to go. Yeah. Thank you.
Yo, akbe nyasala honorable Maunyo Agbe, ike danyang ho Central National Democratic Congress le miako naji ike nye presiding member le miako assembly le ho municipality ya ike danye abunugla ike le dope ike nye maslo gado dope nchife gbe mami se yo kamusugo matrole honorable Richard Agbosuke nchi alabama ko epe to nchocho cho anya kemi de to amanchi nyaka globimile Alhaji Seidu Abugri ke odera lejiji ncho ike nyata kaka di fia be ye choro fia be fia lo du ya be fia bo me o je bo nye fia fio ike na bo nya jim lo ko kunto mo pe nya globimile mi si be otumfo ko director mo ta de we manya mo je bo nye fia mo la be be mo juju klu alo nya dodro di fia na ma kaka unami ya ba Tony General alo bovito morashi Alhaji Seidu Abugrinchi kpo no ya pomo bo bon de bo no rashinchi de mata bo na bo no gbogbo no ba nkata fi o gamso bo rasha me cho rasha ma nyao le maza security pakpajele politics pakpajele leadership mo le maza na ma nye fia no shichi ya maroko di se be fia onya no leader of manye versus now no da shinchi ya ko jijema ka ke no da shinchi ha yo ga tro yin to mama o ga ba foro da me ke ma je ga jiode nyo ko vazu tukara amo agogo mo nkina fi ya Tony Jamola alo amalele ni awo poti da bebe amana no gama jiji nyo ko ehanya nyare ke kakam la yawo ma India tamatore honorable Richinchi or Porenchemi out there.
Yo, Tony, nyape shiftancy laws ode. Ogbele whatever you be anyo be mi atras lenti. Afima yi bokuto nyajia. Nyape efie dudunya we wope fraternity ya. Even never niba never nutu megi voter regina. Ebo papa. Yeah, enabe development ha mile mebe shimlenti. Na Gale Regional House of Chief, voter region. Yeah, a request for the number of chieftaincy related issues or conflicts with the voter region. Domelavo. A door nienti tao do ko never court krahala. Net dem be na bi ko bi ne fio bo yi ma la forma o dem ka fralo. Ava bokuto nyaji. Ale wa ava dwe bi efie lezidi because na chieftaincy laws are. Hafi wa defie lezidi na nalo le bi no wajo. Na menye be amiento buta. Kale do amie davoile. Ye ha efie to agwe on the fearless age. Esenya goma. Okay, we not go into the details of it because we were called for mediation. Ye mediation we have vubayo. O goma ko nye be ni play maunyo agba. Enya NDC to, enya NPP to, mi le jire wo. Do be oho away an independent person yo. Makale nya me bienenti obana me do na adronya le nye do me. Nenya magayi kotu to me fafa wava amana ga babu fa maleko enya ko nyikelo do we meto watie otumfo ba mediate na do in the process go magala ba wonya agbo agbegbre na e do gbegbo to mi do lesiji ye mahama magba ha o de magbo tumfo olon ba to do hewo over or report name or conclusion remarks so suggestions so paid after all feel be no the one. Give a verbal and kunu one any be mediation o recommendations so Mima eligible women of at one party with national security. Recommendations only, you are living wow. The president Namina Habi Yala Wallagi Pepe. I'm like, come out, Verbasama, Vakba, Badako. Can we run for somewhere December 24th? No, go, Sebu Mobile Claw, a fear harbor Bodaka with national security. Gabanya
if you have a warofia,
if you had a car.
over boga naba.
Yes.
If you were boga fiaga,
Yes. You're vilely.
I'm if you had a cow in your boga fia. You go do la mama jacka.
That committee back when you be afraid you took a drill a major. A living one dealer. Either be one no a drummer as a normal citizen. Alwa dealer. Na bugin a may fien to tontoy. They will be assigning a position la fine. As a goma. And yama ni o conclude them. But I'm not what we're expecting. Eta document ma mauna go be. Me national security aspect of it too. But a do you go be na jule duomo bow. Yet our call security available. We don't know. Because kama dalaga. I'm going to jago police or Puvito why invite you. Kake le lawyer lo wadaru mata mati pebu. If I pay the JC, be ne lamba hokwa. Consider gbe kran halem na na nye bill.
Well, forky.
And we fork a kran halem na
No
na
lama,
nye bill.
forky.
Akalem na na keep ya will be beyond 24 hours so. Kakaola mele from December 24th. But that's next year. To the extent be if your court boom wherever no na na pa attorney general be never come in a court so yet all am keeping la up till now. Christmas can have you. The Christmas can have bill custody. Avo mediation ni be wo be to me fafa wa. I tell them for the door we are not to me fafa wa. But be me bunya gwa no you could dead do na amalo because kono wa ye have fashion lo. Amalo we do for more how lessons. No, but cut off your crab or big cry. That's what we vilesi. Me na have you me konya you call to you be me awe no nya di if you no if you have a more matter o two for be no one mediate you two for na me be ye pe akpavi okra ha esanya goma that be en go mesesala kokoko e the dog ka implementation se bo wi bia ka bla nya mo nya mpopo no nyima ba onya agbepo gbogbo nya legi e alo gbogbo nya le nta ku le on o me sure allergic po be Nyapa attorney general, what for the donor Casara come on to your position. Pound of Don Corinna Gumelena. He's a very respected lawyer. Kaki, well, if I were a jail or we for the last Chokram Kabuga the court. And now, Balo, maybe none of the Dumela and Tikahon Dumele. As a political player, some first maybe I take advantage of it. As a goma, kake menyama kaji wa hejo lacho. Na amye de if the person amye de post threat ne boko tokra high. Mele be ne court wa bana na nya avara go bi no va kono mene mi kapna va na kono mi odi. I meet the press more than 4 times last year ho. Kana lam you know kwa bro ho, ame mi la kipi because me feel be me da silentila basa la tajo. Ko Ghana to pimi nya go to secure ta okipia mi la nyike. Ta ke fifie, fi ka court valeur e tele o ju as attorney general. Be o ho mi kana kipia mi o ba ko no mene mi ase. Kele wa ko no ko court be o ho e davude. Ami of human right. Ghana ne se gba Anthony Mabe. Everybody ami of human right must be protected in every aspect. No matter na ma le wo amakra han. Ele be fifie ka court na mi na ma le wo amakra han. Wa te wa na bill. The Sanyama. Et a pas attorney general. What for the dollar accused persons who let the act 24 hours act 24 hours regime terms it's becoming too much many. within 1 year, me attack more than 5 of it. Etade, and work to my fafa dimile le boku. Ne boku wa yingo. Ne to my fafa boku. Ala ta translate ava region bubu ala ha. Because my bobe na you voter regional house of chief ge kra ha he. Chief Dancy confess only. Kake dole mi do yi mi adamele kwa ba mediate ne do wo. Kan mi pe be President John Dramani Mahama immediate fear. Ye to my fafa vale ke ma wo ka pe o tun fa lo we to my fafa. Eduare la be me pe ne kra alo ba to kra ha. Alo de alma una go de kra ha. Ifle mi nu ku kafra. Menya be ngo masele we have the play a fear the how do mele gi ko nyon ku dula a fear the nti. The social media is fighting so hard the social media. International court kra ha with this issue. That do be do kra ha with out of this land. President Atava Mago a fear ha na gugu no aba mediate. Kakana after the mediation alumni implementing the mediation report agawa no nyawo convey. They be high la lobby ne gava all there be no government never mediate no resolve chieftaincy issues over. Because I want to avoid only no mediate for implementation how go your fear of our path. At that time they not them no one reflect no akpe no don't see here akpe amasiame no bela amasiame nti as nyagoma no bela don't no be mo yine takene court teledifie beneva no abakọ no menani abakọ no menani court society or leader hola never no abakọ no come over yo lebi no ade we don't over for our bokwe not over for our nyakpo development le boko.
Well, honorable ena mpuma touchi nyara kavaro yo ke dofu babiare majima biao lakini po ashanti fiaga fa de garanya malo shanti fiaga fa dodo bana malavu le nyame de wo jona na mana ya de kom ba fiare na cho beta du ko malo duma ava anovule malo be ala vule nyara ke camion el boran woli na ma de ke a choy ke bonare lake anwa no re ame ke le du koma me alo boku to ma le ko ro ki o poge na afia bubu ya ba gere nyame ma nyoube ek o tase 1992 constitution global afia o they are custodial owners of the land ko kata wo le Ghana Ghana glogodua adu unsede fia constitution ma du unsede fia do for the charge ma nyoube was notere constitution di adronya ya then your alternative dispute will go like through the appeal court system, supreme court system man you justices of those courts but not getting a mafia ala baje jamba ni ale mai ma bide pomu
akwabe enyamanya gie nya ya jagamo ma onya agbono no komi no ni to bi na ado danko akofo ado time ka ya processes o jagamo no ta akwabe kana otumfo va no e report claim that there at least a plethora of court cases le boko fie nya yo ma ta ko enya yi court over and over ka ke dukola ha ma vie President Mahama play na ado danko akofo ado President Mahama glo bi during reconciliation aloyon to ha
enya do drama
le within President Akufo Addo wa hand over them transition time President Akufo Addo brief here about these issues and I want me over wa pe no enya me be other say why court you are the independent Mexican which you have for within of your powers that what fear have about you no matter by je fear the kale di be okay I want can fear you ela say me of your me of verses we be invite your pastor be invite brother you go back court ka ke ha fear you enya the in and out of efianyao
enya na bro honorable bre masa onya ko ma ni biam ne bere me ga troga ire court me be mi o arbitration otumfo garanya ma fifia la ma dedera bovito le pata ko ga garanya me that's fifia me enya ga to tronga vam court and majima sagon nkana fio garanya why criminal aspect animo go so akpake leko
le enya the day otumfo run over recommendations on President John Dramani Mahama. Criminal issues are like no.
No, I'm interested.
Mele been criminal issue because the recommendations were very explicit. Obey no cut, no viral development at all the gamma. No what the amele custody if you kill custody fear. It that be wow move on from no akpano position be in fear.
Odorale siaji ano amagbo abedumevi.
Allo adole duoma. I think na ame fear ntotonto assign me some positions. You two for Naminabe, you're the two parties. Even before your call recommendations have been President Mahamala, he still spoke to the two of them and made them know that this is his recommendations. I'm like Mary Bata, me appeal
with them.
What have you done anymore? As an agoma. Now, one fashion do you have to appeal to the two for instantly. Like your premier law went to the mediation. If you present me careful. Implementation is a
Tamatroma bionya leke ne bubewo a implementalo de jojoi ke otumfo wo plemio yu bode jeshi leke ne bobo wa dito me afi aba nyare ko blomale bobo blombe if ya dupo kata e ko wa sogli state e ko nyagbe oza state ni manyare ko state yoga le ko gbemo aka state je vois pas vava pour du pour sekle ro e henya gbemove anglo habe anglo state o ji ba gbonu lo lokishi be fiale o shi asale o shi gbadagba le o shi ta yonye state le lokishi afi je vous va state do ta o cho state wo o fo klono wono gabazu o fo maybe kata mi fo klote vi mi aka no state wo botezo we are now states within states nyate pare nyero da asogli madashi state zazango magbona enyabiamela anglo madashi efe state zazango kaka ese na be mi kata mi bazu dukoreka efia shafia elegana fia baba biambedi ye ovacho efia bubu bana ba gerenya yama leko joy afi enyana ga troga no koti akpama and you are free to differ on this thing.
I said earlier, why you court how? Why you? Because mediation committee they were very explicit. On done. All recommendations even I made the dosina. State the dosine.
Okay.
As a goma. Maybe if you have some power, that will feel as a Ghana set. Ese goma eta du Ghana du koe ye pebe no apara jojo le gama Ghana view le gama Ghana businesses le gama which is within Ghana. So the president of the land has the powers to impose whatever stance he wants to impose on them. Ala now for the next 2 years there's no efiala kabele nyebo for now. You have to obey the because he's the first gentleman of the land. Like a medin in the mouth. No matter that baby if you have a boy le footballers will always work. At the football team has a football game. If you have a boy, let go. They may even guy because and now you caught over and over more than 5 times. Exactly the holy. And only judges your Mokama. Judges or woman if you own Yamasem now. If you are a safe your review, a tado to if you are no name, no matter if you never immediately make that. But when I call
Yamakata honorable, need Yamlebedi. Tade. Mikpo videnia mikpo amachungwa ale mwa yimfia and maybe a question like bianca see manya no na biamle benya selo nya journalism omale
se nya bi
daddy
but na nya na big but le be nya wa guy court
e me baby man katafio yi
implementation say
okay
because obeying one of the functions if you have about the time either they were not doing as a citizen, as an ordinary citizen. Allo wa dole doing. But never content nyama odumeto da call. Kaka just how to implement it. Be either be wa joye mi ba mi mu ani for 24th December ko be national security by premier.
Oba otumfo de gbebono dida.
Me lo otumfo recommendation men na ma.
like a news alona mako news rakana na ma
Mellow
well
too for
news don me nyama
ah mellow too for kada wale ye la miel in this lead. Mellow too for recommendations maybe national security never tell them about. Ha what explicit all recommendations so that was what me opinion of takwana be ela wato. Ha takiya
amada de da mel mo chachitero tumfo kwa
ow dakade ti feel like imama bobe fie da na court eteva na edit eva na me the reasons why will I keep him as me anya be don lead there some because national security nya me dey say dem yon civilians so me asel so we cannot fault them and then your fault here the fault maybe ali will keep am beyond some period of hours without briefing us as to why Olamide keep more. For national security reasons, I can't keep him even 2 years.
Oh, for security reasons, for some reason, I disagree my brief no. But Honorable Gonyama, it can still be for security reasons.
Yes, that
Intel go pick. But now my le duame. Apo apapanya gbomo ta ava ololi. Omo tron o. My go nchimo omo tron o. Ta it's Honorable who cover kwama vie. I'm just thinking, but okay, whoa, but nyama question is still security. My nyabo glenami.
Yeta to me fafa dini be mi le ma wo nyano. Nya for the door no nya to me fafa for the door. Na nya la ga sese kra ha wo be nya keep am nya kra ha the cost the kra ha. After the door le mi ade wo we ma ba dia ro bi ava gbe no.
Okay, tora nyamaji. Nya sala nya re kare gali majuwe na tongwecha because Alex story la ajagomacho mia papa jabe MPP over $700 million enye ga gbogbo ike nya afa ike jokari do ko du daran ike jirure ya baba kha tota kasila to fosin be yo jaba ba kha ga la kre akama gbegbe ga chiani nya takaka na siare adoji jono
ale ebrebe ye nye feye mi o mi dudale
ma ba dudaran jiru do dudaran
ha ma gbon ne ma gba e be mi o mi dudale
kwenye mi no ita maji
ma legacy debt you if no Ghana electricity system if no almost every government from 1992 that's next year if no Esegoma. Eta manya be Akufo-Addo we dey eba do federal. Elema be electricity company of Ghana edufa. Ta na dan ko da ko kene never government va government va the first term la. Me initiate be me privatize ECD. Because in fact be a fear do ko le chimleji.
Da me jagbagba do ko shimo na ho jokari do fa ho do lo sha wo. Abon to for doing it,
me privatize me na more no ba galem ha individuals or no ba partner adale me to adale NDC be awe fifie na the same thing
privatize
yes privatize me no wa private entity
if you do kushimo na hodo fa awo do aboro ki to ene
me ma me fie be all the corner wo de if na PPP you hand individual private individuals wo le
partner
Eta eyi ma ba do.
Honorable Monson to me about
ECG. Honorable. Actually, maybe they have to privatize it. I'm not saying we want to sell it out upright. As a woman.
That they will go on me concern. You never check privatize for go there. If you have Jinudu Pashinaga no.
Why not?
Take public private partnership. Yes.
There can be you would be actually public private partnership.
Another partner yo.
Yes. It had got to a point in time. The time when be Akufo-Addo regime here FM about. For fourth time there was a legacy debt. John Mahama number 1. Ye kra efie ga kaketa kra halejiu. The matter of baby that was a period he doing so ba Ghana ko water. But he took a good step. You import more power systems. Yeah, but now me fear guy more because some of them were not using them, but were paying for them.
Power batch when you
yes, a lot of them. Yeah, car power American Power had normally about 3 or 4 of them. They can only move to Kumasi as recent as last 2 years.
Many power batch la.
Yo, that is it. And what is shocking to the NPP, your partner, NPP has effected a lot of payments. Never energy now. I said, a guy over your hair, fear $1.4 million. We equally paid the same amount.
No, millionaire.
Yes. Yes, 1.4
billion.
billion. Yes.
Yeah.
1.4 billion. Okay. We equally paid the same amount.
Billions.
Yes. That the euphoria I would be accurate. Had the Kafra the most job on and on. Yelam kunu wana Ghana to alobi ah. Alo jeka awabi. Effect the series came yawo. Kenya mkoko normal routines, daily routines here Ghana to every government are take wa. Then we want to create public interest.
$1.42 billion for her. And your routine expenditure in a year.
What I mean routine here be successive government have been making these effect payments. But they don't make the kind of noise they want to make about with it.
Routine going.
As time goes on, because we were, however way. I am sure John Dramani Mahama #1 can have a payment around ECG, PPP, IPP so forth. Elena Basenuma. Gakede, Bitibe, nya create too much media coverage for everything. But when some time ago be, even Avado yellow, no be a flaking, Ava want to have put camera before them.
Ah, we go yanto national, email you, get yanto.
And now talk about government now. They are taking governance a color wabi. Fanfare.
Now 1.42 billion. I will hear you got to $700 million. You are going to do a jamisa. I will never go no budget, McCarry. Many now, no for
many if you get to many hope million talk me he no budget man. You no want to budget man.
Diana Duanya and your fanfare.
Many for if not today. Can we go in your crammy case a routine payment every successive government does? You were surprised.
Oh, surprise how?
Later, what is the reason why you ask me what is the meaning of routine?
No, you have never surprised because routine and you make a yaji about chober.
Yes.
About Gaia or her made no yaji about you by look of us of film liguano.
Near Tabazu, we are not as what film when you be. The recurring causes solar, it keeps on occurring. No matter not I do yalany do. I will be millifying more. Can we let fear come there? Never let that bomb now.
Okay.
Can I not over fear? The happiness, they are also thinking about privatizing ECG. No kind now because we find Bombay. We let fear convert to blame. No more only. For the community more.
Okay.
But very some time ago be sister station last year be. Now your day. Let's give this all other things how to cut this cost. Let's lease it to the IPPs. Let's go into this private partnership with them because they are already in the business. Now, if you
Not leasing.
you involved into the ECG fraternity.
Okay.
More.
The American Magbene ECG or gas plateau
Supply
power supply for ECG or Bunova get ECG for dom. Not that shit.
Now, if you be as a state la, no one want to their money. I said, "Goma, I know be never very sure I'm allow you. I'm bubu. Ava be ye bubu never create a new company. No my
Jola IPP so your woman of Bono.
No my
no my power if you go to take your job.
For them we are into the middle business me pro.
They externalize the profits. I'm the company
the previous government, Adan Kwakufado's government, PDS. Yeah, this is the same thing that is going to happen now. Because the one of to Amubu Busanga Akove. If we should say, okay, fine, all these IPPs, some of you have the technical know-how, you have the muscles to handle these issues. Never recoup these losses. Never your premier may. Kuna Ghana all the time la FA ala ECG meva government the siade kana over fear menye 700 million over tomorrow. Kana over hanga do fear do plenty. Even though we heard them, we hanga ba another 1.4 billion. Kaka still a fear holy. And that I feel have no hanga do the power. Still a Ghana the next government to come will even come and meet another legacy debt. Matter of con be legacy debt la.
Okay.
If you have a problem, we have that. At a mere baby, as a nation, you feel not coming about that. Don't be mere time. Omo dama benem you call politics cleaning. Be me Nigeria ECG. You can over fear. Can government no as a party la no to mo onye ton. We support them. Nya wo mo onye ton. Na efeye because a gama o hefie. Enya hospital na watwa. Enya role mo na wawa. Expressway you be now watch you get akọ Kumasi e do about to voter region e about to voter region e ha akọ esenya goma eta mi ofio mi olela mi awo politics clear wo ka ka efe mi wa hefe de ka kwa wo de abi de me dopo na newe ide nya gbona be say tai e fo ko mi lo ka fi o what to budget o wie na be mi ka 1.4 billion no
magbona nyamo na bro mi se do ho le gbota message aro baba amaro nye yon nyaselo ma jebe mi ayom lo no pa ni ko mi atang lo ra mi miakhle ta makhna do aro matrona go ma onyo agbechi message to Christian Adiabo bo Christian Adiabo edo message have a good job, we appreciate you Christian Adiabo Apo Liner Focados Medo Agbe Dina Venigba TV Fufofo Bliboa you are now Focados message the cancho slide June Bagbo Aro Yabonko Oseseba Marapu never on message you ran Manavala program Jamming English you rakune Maklimiga go you Baumia was not a serious person. A slide or message honorable patron to war government
my problem of Vinera. O now Ohiha me am record over communication outfit la o now Ohiha must be the best approach people are how adopt because not less than 56% of Ghanaians who endorse President Mahama. Never approval rating in Joe, a guy, Omobola. A Japan very careful, maybe Aponu. The President Mahama government, menu. Alumna and a woman at the fall. Nenya yide, a Makola Mona Quaba, oh, a Javalo. And Nunia, the Jola President Mahama, Nico, we are got a menu. And Menovina, I was a victim of Ghanaians over criticism. Tamabakobala. Ever salvation ora ele is a victim e gon Ghana to wa churo ngwe me jono churo ngwe next time la e na ka fumi kuri kwefu Ghana to ora ama 56% ma e fe wo ko cheje me be e gon mi epo e nyara ko ka funanu nga e na ge e ga me nyara ke odi na e wo nyore me ko adna di comment wa sewa egbere mi discuss ko do sure dokro wa egbere look here what ade agboro Ghana to do pasipro now almost we going do ah baba mi da legacy debt dan legacy debt le mi gaba now gaba ideji wu like oje to the extent bela mi va na mi the haircut kwa esego man you even miawe mi va na Ghana to se me bela oh there will be no haircut na do dan kwa kufa do no say I'm coming. Let me tell you what happened. Because on renegotiating the debt, and when they were doing haircut with individuals, they were equally renegotiating the debt with ECG, the IPPs, etc. And upon all that, Joe Chico nine, Ogbe Chico, do so, and Milo. Oh, baby, you mark for general do so now. To the extent that they are running late. Kene otum for napo o tu go be ya in oji ikobenye de fi buame ga ke fi obenye de fi bada make I be benye de fi bada oh no ma ameke nyaki na pogbo ya magbo na don't worry mi se mi gara to no dun kuji no me no se fi ke mi chura ebere he o le jochiri ejochichire no lasia edun kujire napo
no like
mi anto mi lasi jo me na mejo esi
ba mi obi abeno na mi timetable no block ba igbe ojo chi gana mi yo ba yo ma dodo mo la ba ju yo baba ba jemba jo na she
ebe mi anto mi la timetable la oh
mi ba we
edo de mi agbo ya timetable gbogbo me la ojidai alebere look no let's get the thing right so that was Napobo position now upon all that Eyami inherit as government him for power do so was prevalent there was no money in the coffers. We in the NDC government we that renegotiate where I'm over and look not all IPPs we know where we are coming from look at it and if you read the story about $250 million out of a renegotiation. So for the IPPs alone, 1.4 million billion we renegotiated and it got to 1.1 billion. If you read the story, I said, and upon all that, we prudent management of the economy, prudent management. The reason why Ghanaians are happy, we have cleared $1.47 billion, and we are celebrating that. The reason is that apart from furious challenges you have with this thing, timetable this and for long President Mahama is a visionary leader. That the time President Mahama was there, 2016, all this car power, all the Ameri and the rest, so that the future of Ghana will be bright. Not they condemn President Mahama. Oh, the car power was inflated, the Ameri was inflated. Go fine. Do you know how much it took them to move the American plant to Kumasi? Ask them. Anything that they touch, devious, criminal, corruption. Hey, that's a move American plant from Tekwadi. I am coming to tell you the exact figure because you know that it was a subject of discussion. When talking about problem, the subject of discussion how they can move a machine from one place to the other, even more than the cost of the machine. Inflation, they inflated the deal. Chop the money and we are here. We are. Today, there is a president that is a visionary president. That means well. And we are celebrating success. Look, ya mendeko ola dogalo odoga bo agako oshubon afeto hesi beren yon kona mla enyan mi finance minister yon kona kenu foyata la kenu foyata he fimi he fi Ghana duko le gogo men SMD le fún ma wole ni mechi afeto ge never answer 78 charges the court as to speak now against Kenu Foyata. Who does he know? 78. Now let me tell you that man afeto man Kenu Foyata the day per 1 hour when it comes to deals within ECG many view and that man elabologa okay and elabo bonlo covelo ola flekenke kanami what do sardine wakenke party simply because associate ega do gabubu had 10% that you never could document the things we went through in 8 years. My brother, you survive it, you have to give you certificate. Me when we told them to be told in 8 good years, sir. Today we are celebrating success. They say we should not we are doing PR. We will do PR today, we will do PR tomorrow. Every success. Then some give me one you are not ready to serve Ghana. You don't even want us to know what you are doing. Okay, they also paid before. But okay, stop. So now I want to on this moment salute the government, thank the president, thank the finance minister. That is the number one so far. If you call the rating, I call the finance minister is performing exceedingly, and that is what we want. We want to see competition for doing good. You see, that is the kind of government we are demonstrating. And we know no I'm a seven of the competition. Not told them among the MPs are competing for doing good. If you come to the ministers, they want to compete. That is the kind of spirit that is in Ghana. The next moment, the MP I talk about that is what you were discussing in the 8 good years of the MPP.
My topic, I'm a topic.
I said, and today we are celebrating the success stories of the the energy sector. 1.4 billion US dollars. We have cleared those debts. The future is clear for us. That one you must understand. But we are when the dollar, you can see the dollar appreciation, the dollar doing so well. So that is the spirit that is in this country. And from A to Z, and nothing less, nothing more.
Nyasala presiding member for whole Central Municipal Assembly program. We say, Honorable Richard Agbosuka, we know Bonye. But that when we cut over them yapre a Jerome message Arocho MPP DJ Dogbanami Madogbonoha Ajo Mianko Semble Hosita Ohado message Rami Tobiga Volta and Tobiga baby a yo pung Adon America Monko Pomeli Adota naming going up Bofuko Mimi Apok Besege Akodoname Akonami Abaleke Mure Kapakrim Tony McBoy and Yak Promine Maui Echo Dandrogapua Maga Mia Bonoge. Nye mpolo nya sala la do hachu kata ke prenche la modang do me honorable monya be Richie madapa nami honorable Richard Agbosuka kama na yonami bye bye
ta strong amanu nyamudi amano magbo foto gbana molo Daniel Fomakpo yakugba na ma ono no gelo
alele Daniel Fomakpo yakuga na ma ono no ge
Evi amelesio mukata so amalaye amano magbo foto gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo yakuba na ma ono no alele Daniel Fomakpo kunya gbana na ma ono no gelo Evi amelesio mukata so amalaye amano magbo foto gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo Yakubana na maona oh wagaba nyabagajeye nyabagajeye lokonya dizumbagawa oh wagaba nyabagajeye nyabagajeye lokonya dizumbagawa alele Daniel Fomakpo yakubana na maona ngolo ebi amalesio lukata so amana yamude Amano magbo foto bana mala Daniel Fomakpo yakubana na maula alele Daniel Fomakpo yakubana na maula no belo
alagbe popoko
lenso mukata so amana amano magbo foto bana mala Daniel Fomakpo yakubana na maula me ikama tuo America Matuo America Matuo America Matuo America Matuo America Matuo America Matuo